Hello, beautiful.
Hello,
How you doing?
I'm fine.
Where you from?
Jamaica.
It's your first time over here?
Yes.
You like it?
It can go on, that nice, but it can go on.
Going to pool as yet?
Yeah, I'm gonna try it out when I finish.
It's beautiful, right?
Yeah, the water's clean and pretty.
Like over here.
Kinda. Like, not get to tour all of the place yet.
So if you tell you the truth, then I say me only place, baby.
For true?
You mean if I say true?
That not bad.
I look like me could have be owner.
Yeah, look like I can be the owner.
My place, man, as eat some of that, so make you know, say you can get more comfortable because kind of
Mm-hmm.
like your energy. Me, I watch you for you just come in here a few hours back, you eat.
Okay.
So you have a
Well,
boyfriend?
I have no boyfriend.
Answer fast though.
I mean,
When your last relationship?
from last year.
Last year. That sound bad still. So you know come back in your life. I know man
No,
watch you and
somebody new
start you.
much in my life, I know.
Somebody new.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Mm-hmm.
You can try my luck.
Yes, you won't miss.
Can't miss. Nothing you can't miss.
No, shoot a shot, no?
Never really miss nothing in my life yet.
Oh,
I shoot my shot still.
yeah.
Want something to drink, want something to eat.
Yes.
You
Me
want?
know say a bar they're supposed to over this, alright?
Mhm.
So come on. No?
Alright, baby girl. I look so bad still.
Mm-hmm. Oh God.
I'm bad for your God for. You know, enjoy yourself, you know, have fun.
Yes.
I love the bed there alone, so.
Cause of this I wanna look dry. Cause remember say the rain did fall. But so
So how was the drink?
it is nice.
So Hennessy and Campari alone a drink.
Yeah.
So how was the meal?
How was the meal? It was nice. It was delicious. The people that can't cook though.
Say eat enough.
Yeah. I love my belly.
Clean up everything.
Everything. Down to the bone, them me did want to swallow too.
Sure say belly full.
Yeah, I'm belly full, man.
Also, if I tell you the truth, you look like one smart little princess though.
Of course, I'm smart.
I think about you for me I eat and I wonder if you could have come help me run off the business, you know?
You want to spend for half a business? Me can help you.
You sure?
Yes, cause me can check good. 5 months by 5 at 20.
20.
Yes.
I really worry about the price that I'm normal pre because when I check out me, I'll come get a second check as eat.
Alright.
So we want to become in our future.
Want become? Let's see. Want one couple business.
We call a couple business.
Want one hair business, one bar business. Other things. Wait.
So then they alone come to your mind first, here
Yeah.
and bar.
Mm-hmm.
Normal pre still because I understand you so yeah girl then my business the first come to their mind, you know?
Yeah.
So yeah, anyway where you feel like you don't want to live in a future.
Yes.
Which part?
Want live let's see now. In the city.
In the city you have more than one city.
No, the big city.
Big city.
Yes, the big city.
Once when I live in a big city I forget big city, right?
No, me don't need no big city.
Call myself man, I want to you. Can't live in a big city and I get big city.
You will make me get big city, me not for myself.
How much kids you have in the future? Because I'm a man, I like a me youths them, you know.
2.
2.
You're not here. 2. What me I do with the one bag of pitney?
Teacher this baby girl. That is not a good number.
Why?
Okay? I'm gonna teach you this again. Right now you talk to a businessman.
Me see.
So anything in your life you want to sort out, I'm there for you. Right through like night Joe. So just calm down yourself and just relax. You see me? You won't be disappointed.
Okay.
Me I tell him. So what kind of house you want to live in?
What kind of house? One big mansion.
Big mansion.
Yes.
You say like big things, man. I'm gonna pray. So what kind of car you want to drive?
Me want drive Okay. Mama drive one of them big fat Jeep there. Mama want daily too.
Jelly.
Yeah, I want big fat Jeep.
That's so interesting. I share them milk.
Eh?
Give me mother two of them.
Yeah, I forgot make me cock up my foot on a dashboard when I time them.
What do you man a normal pre man? What do you know say that dashboard built for?
Yeah.
Which pre him can see here.
Me here? Yes, you can see it. How do I want to do you now?
Oh, I like your color.
You like, eh?
I like
Me
your
not
color.
like it.
What's your favorite color?
Blue.
Blue.
Yeah.
Like my pool.
Yes, like it pool. Say blue and pretty. And then me I come go your nose.
I like the sky.
Yes.
Nice color, man.
Mm-hmm.
God color, you know.
Mm-hmm.
So what's your name again?
Riri.
Riri.
Yeah.
Your real name, Riri.
I'm rename. Me not too like
Riri.
give out me.
Riri, look for me.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know, like a get a boy, then we say you talk to you know.
Me
You
never
talk to
said
a
that.
boss, a general. Here. Only thing I like people call me a Dan. I like me take care of people that call me Dan, you see me? Not a
Oh.
good name. He's a boss. He's a real general and everything. You see me? I know you talk to me like a get a boy. I talk to.
Okay.
Come tell me boy your name. Riri. If me a go out, I'm if you buy a car, I'm tell us if you sign the paper. Riri, I tell people say
No.
name. Riri. I'm about to ramp with you.
Me
But with
not
them
ramp with
style.
you. That's me a play.
What's your name?
Renee.
Renee what?
Renee Williams.
So me can go introduce to my family them Renee. So you go behave.
No, I'm not gonna be able to act polite.
I'm seeing a man. I like you know, if my energy never take him want to come contact you know.
Oh.
You look a shine eyes them. Trouble to my life right now, you see it?
Yeah.
Like energy so far still.
This is not yet. This
There
is
one and two little ego I'm gonna have to get through.
touch up.
Get them sorted out, you see it? Very nice to meet you, baby girl.
Yes.
You got yourself here. I tell her you want to get this.
Okay.
Time I get kinda late now still. I have some things to go deal with on the road, you see me?
Oh, so I leave now?
That's some money to go pick up. No man. Over office me I go man go deal with one criteria, you see it?
Okay.
Big up yourself, soon come back contact you.
Alright, I will be here or you will see me in the pool.
Can you feel hand them again?
Yes.
Soft and nice.
Mm-hmm.
The kiss about that you just on meet, you know?
Yeah.
Big up yourself.
Alright.
The sex legs there.
Girl, say something. Me there, your vacation up yet? No, Mama. What you talk about? Mama, I don't think me plan to leave. Mama, you're not cheering away. We're not just fall. Go up her room, go talk, cause I have a lot to tell you what just go on. Before you, what happened? Come on. Where we go? Mama, can we go up to the room? Come let me tell you what happened. So, come. So, girl, a while ago, me meet the owner. The owner for where? The place. Which place, yes, sir? Yes. Who tell you say owner still living? Man tell me say owner. Oh, man look at owner. In tan and in brown. So who tell you say him owner? A beard. Can you tell me say you believe? Yeah. You know no sense. I'm if you have no sense. Me can't tell you say me have $7 million while I do not have none. Him owning. You sure you prove? Yeah. What kind of proof? Yes, in good and other things. So mama me not care good and they go order something. Mama, I did not spend any money. Mama, me can't good and they go order and don't spend my money. Mama, you can't know say my owner and you like your money. And me see me do a big chain pan in neck. You see me big chain pan neck? So what that say? Yeah, money. You know no sense. And him own the place I go see. Alright, and him own him. Yeah, like So like when he own him. Much night we get free. Mama, we are live here. We not move and he can't put we nobody can come to it. Make sure him own ya. And he say he want me help him. Make sure him own ya. Do business. Yeah. When you start? In Ghana office now. So you get pay? I'm a man, yes. Yes, so your man, me name when my pay. Me think you just use your, you know, no sense, your cuckoo. You don't understand life. Mama, you mean by me cuckoo? Me not think me I stay here with you still, you know. Me telephone 2 nights. But you see, first problem, me see I gone left you. Cause man can't tell one place without proof or nothing you believe. We go see. Yeah, we go see. Girl, you make me eat food, oh God. What kind of food you eat? No, I'm not hungry, mama. Curry goat, pork, oxtail, and then something there. Curry goat, pork, and oxtail, no one meal? No, ma, 2 different meals. So 2 different times I eat? Mama, one time eat, but I said thing. Other than me said time, and I understand. Yeah, me understand, man. Me I go to Rogo buy something. Me can't. Oh, your name from this dirty kitchen, yeah. What me buy kitchen dirty? You don't see kitchen done there, so? Later. No, I have no. Me don't know what kind of sister you be. No little sense. Sis, me I go down here go check Everton. You check who? Everton. Really? Yeah. What you mean to say? For love with little Ginal, man. What you mean? I'm not Ginal. So you ain't still nothing? Yeah. And you want it one for yourself? No, it don't really matter. I can do with the 2 of them. Mama. What? You know, say you don't listen. Girl, just stop your eyes and calm. You still there with the little Ginal. And the man don't want you. Better say man have been woman. What kind of woman? You can't have woman. I'm going to have in face. Go on. Okay, you must feel. Want all, lose all. Mama, tap your eyes. You don't know. Anybody come and suck on knock and ask me for me, I tell them say go look for Everton. Oh, nobody not come and chat too much. That's that video. As my sister have me back. Me don't have no back. You do a little bit on Ginal. Do what you do. A little bit on Ginal, you.
I say you walk slow, man. Huh? Look how long me short up and you make me walk from all the way down there, sir. Eh?
What do you?
Walk on, money me come check you for buy rum. I'm not think that today you come home.
No, baby, don't worry yourself. Guess what?
Guess what?
You see the owner for the place? Like me.
Huh?
Yes. I have one plan.
Like my woman?
Yeah. I have one plan. He say he want me help him manage the place. So when me help him manage the place, and I'm go kill him. So when me kill him now, everything will go in my hand. So you are going to be the boss.
You know if you bake bread?
Yeah.
You sure? Mm-hmm. Why first thing start the bread?
Flour.
Huh?
Flour.
And then what?
Water.
And then what?
Fire.
You see it? A tough rock you make this a mama.
I mean?
Because you can bake bread with just flour and water. No yeast, no salt, no sugar.
Yeah, that's what I got in there. We have to tell you what the ingredients.
No bother with them foolishness right now.
Babe, just listen.
No, listen what I'm saying right now. Me understand, say, yeah, the owner like you, right? Yeah. That is a nice place. Because it's a nice, could I call it Everton Guest House.
Yes, babe, your name, Penny.
Right, because I'm your woman. But, what the catch for you get over there, sir?
Honey.
Am I go down in your cookie?
Yeah. No, you don't have to go down in there. I go cut him out. I go kill him. I go sign over everything that my name.
Give him the cookie. Because it go heal up. Take your pain, collect your building.
When we reach at the bridge, maybe we cross the bridge. As I say, now we say, I go check you and I so get a thing. I don't have money now.
So like you so own the place, I can come over the night we come have a drink.
Yeah. Anytime I'm ready, you can come.
Everton.
Yes.
We like that.
Yeah.
We like that.
So where you go now?
Eh? You don't have no money for you now?
No, we don't have no money.
Now come check it back later now.
Alright.
Try to see if you can get the money from him.
But she say not enough money, you know.
Huh?
You hear me say? Make sure say not enough woman down there, down in my yard.
What are you doing, man?
Make sure.
I'm a woman that gonna make me one place like this.
Make sure.
Nice. No worry.
Later, babe.
I'm loyal.
Make sure.
I'm loyal with the LY.
Make sure. Oh, God. I'm also out of down I push again. Girl, me go up my room and me never see you. What happened?
Mama, you see me too. You left me one up there. So I go look for a man. General man.
The man don't general.
Man, don't general. How much money you get?
I get no money.
So we are going for you for?
I go talk to him.
How much meal him buy you?
He don't buy me
How much
nothing.
water?
No.
So you talk from thirsty stomach?
Yeah.
The more dry like, you know, no sense.
Just what you want. So pool look nice and me go in there.
Me not going to no pool. You see a man when you're going there with your man.
We don't know if me not confirm that with him.
So we...
Me just a own him up.
At tonight, we have to come out here. So you need to talk to him, make we know if we can stay. Because me not get through tonight, make like that, you know.
Mama, you worry about the wrong things. No worry about that. That well covered.
Alright.
Yeah.
So when me get to meet him?
Me no know. In the day, me saying gone pan some. I'm gonna office gonna deal with business. So
From yesterday, yeah?
Yes.
Hello, ladies.
Hi,
What's up? How you doing?
I'm fine.
Hello, my name is Mr. Carl.
Okay, my name is Shanice.
Don't like people jumping my wall. My money's taller than tall. And as you can see, this is my little village. Okay?
Oh, you own here?
This is my place.
Oh.
Yes.
So, sweetie,
This is my sister. Sister, this is the guy I'm talking about.
Yes, clearly, I'm the guy if I'm own here.
if you're trying to disrespect me and my
No,
own
I'm not
place,
trying to disrespect you. Me I try tell her, say, if I you own here, then I you. Because she tell me, say, she had somebody own here.
don't even dare try that. So, see, you say she's your sister?
Yes, this is my sister.
Same mother, same father?
Yes.
Like for real?
Yes, like for real.
You don't really look alike, you know?
My mother did a bleach when she have her.
I can see.
Yes.
And don't put it up on your father and my other.
Now what did they pan here when they get?
No, I'm just asking.
I'm here
sweetie.
ask too.
I'm not being
So
disrespectful.
how your forehead look so?
Here I know.
Oh.
Alright,
Shut
uno
up.
calm down. Hey, relax.
That's how your
So what happened?
That's how your sister behave.
Yes, that's what she want. I can't pay no mind.
I guess she's hungry. You eat already?
No, we don't eat yet.
Me eat though.
Eat something already?
Yes.
What do you eat?
Food.
What kind of food?
Buy some pizza and fried chicken. With pasta on the side. Brown stew gravy.
That's soft. Why didn't you bring your sister on here a little earlier so I could give her some decent meal to eat?
Me don't
Some
want no
shrimp
food around
curry
here.
lobster.
She said she
Okay.
don't want no food
We
around
don't
here.
eat seafood.
I can see.
Mama,
Yes, I'm allergic.
Mama, calm down.
Him ask me a question and me answer.
Oh God.
That's how she operate.
Yeah, she gonna like she too feisty.
So anyway, baby girl, how
Yeah.
you doing otherwise?
I'm fine.
Can I touch you?
Yes, you can touch me.
Sister, how well we don't look much together.
What's that?
Why she's laughing?
Me don't know.
We don't
Like
look
she get joke.
don't like a nice brother-in-law.
Yes, you don't feel like you want to. You don't feel like you want to make she move out her bonnet.
What
You
you
don't
mean?
feel like you want to give her a new style.
That's no problem. I already introduced her to that when we were having lunch
Yes.
yesterday.
So what is her hair doing?
Anytime she's ready, she's the one should call the shot and I'll fire it.
So I got to put her back in the school.
Anything she want, I'll able to take care of.
Okay, I hope for something sensible because she come up with
Mama.
something good in life.
Have to.
Oh.
This is Mr. Call. Anything she call on, I'm there.
Okay.
Hope she dial the number right.
I'm not like those village youths that's trying to mash up her life. I'm just trying to
So
take
you
control.
can't take off your glass when you see her hear them.
It's no problem.
Alright, you can remove
But
your
can you
glasses,
tone down
please?
your voice a little? I don't really like those loud talking.
Okay, can you remove your glasses, please?
No.
Oh. You bleach?
No, yeah.
Sometimes, you know, say, me I reach.
And I reach at all. You hear them cap a color.
Kepa color.
What you mean?
She
Your
not know.
eyeball, me no same bleach.
Can't say good build. She have kept her over her
It
eye.
looks so.
Can't say village people alone I used to.
Anyways, girl, me I go for the room. When I ready, you come check me. Yeah?
Alright.
Have
We
time with the
there.
little man. It was
Liquor
nice.
man. Liquor
Have
man.
time with your
Wow.
little man.
First
It
thing,
was nice
Alright,
meeting you.
bye.
first thing, get it straight. You're not going into your room. You're going into one of my lowest rooms.
Because of money
Come
we pay
see.
fees. I could have the lowest of money.
Come see.
Since I was waiting at the lowest, move her up to the highest.
That's where she's gonna be. And you're gonna be where you are because of your attitude and your dirty behavior.
Alright, don't pay no mind.
Babes,
Yeah?
where your sister going, sir?
Me don't know, she going like she full of too much attitude. Sometimes men I can't agree.
Babes, your sister, you know what, me tell you the truth, a bad mind, she bad mind a thing, you know.
I'm not lying. Me feel so too.
You know, so she ever did with one boss before?
No. She a commoners.
You could have see it in her eye.
Come go get some, you know.
Oh dear, babes, you know, so that at least.
So come on.
So hug me up and we'll go on, babes. You deal with the thing, so. Want anything upgrade, you know?
Yeah, come on.
Want you to follow your sister.
Oh, God have mercy.
Me,
Huh?
where you go?
I check my sister up the road from.
Me want some money, be.
Oh, that's
Me have to do me here, me have to buy some goods to put in her
We're here, do already.
It a pull up, look, see me really a fuzz out there.
Listen me, man, render it down.
You can render on your head.
Just use this scissors and chim up in neat. And you just
Nah, chim up
and you use
here.
some cooking oil and come so zip.
Me not do all of that, me want one New Year style. You don't love me?
I love you.
So you not spend no money for me. Come over here, so you not spend no
let me
money
teach you
for me.
something. Listen. I'm tired to tell her this. Love no means say me have to spend. You understand?
I want some new clothes. I want to do me 2 of them. So you can kiss them.
No man, just buy a bottle of vinegar and just
Just
soak
give me
them.
the talk about some cheap things. Like you're so cheap.
Are the best way that?
No, you never tell me when that look at me, they talk about the dollars. I can do your hair, I can do this, I can do that. I don't talk about, you know.
Well,
Money I talk about. You fling money in a party. So vroom, vroom, vroom.
yeah.
Fling money now. Fling it now. Now me need it.
No.
Me hungry from morning, me not eat.
Me too. But you have to understand this. When you see a man a dash money at the party, sometimes I borrow it to go to a party, you know.
Borrow the money now, come give me be. Me need money, me hungry.
You see how when you see my money pull up, I borrow. No, sometimes I don't have to borrow, no, but tomorrow morning I can buy bag juice.
Just like you, your money pull up last night at the party. Think me see up on video?
I
Me
just-
see up on video.
30,
And now you don't have no money.
30 gonna chum change.
Because you're gonna chum change, right? Give me money. Dip in your pocket and take out 30 grand.
We don't have no pocket. And me tell you out the road, me have to pay money.
Go out for the money, me pay right now.
Huh?
Me a wait for you today, me need a money. Me hungry, me not left from you. Go on for the money and come. Me a wait for it and don't take too long. Me serious, me not move. And money me want.
And that me not like with it. You see
Want
why
for the money, me say.
you see why me you can't agree? Huh? You see why me you can't agree? That's why me left the house give you. Because me don't want you torment me.
Hello. You see next time I that with uno man, you know. Love look young girl and can't afford young girl.
And that with uno young girl. Uno love man with money. And when the money done, uno start get angry and galang like an idiot.
Me not there with no man who can't give me nothing. Me need money.
Oh, Achu, you're right.
Come.
You can't do with no man.
Come.
Achu, that's a new slang, you know. One. Where you say, man?
Money!
Oh, money.
So the feel one lick in your face, sometimes take me for idiot, you know. So I feel like you take me for idiot. I mean, you want to go rumor. They go around say I have 2 women. I don't know if it's true.
I
Yes.
have 2 what?
One little birdie I pinch me from the other day and I tell me every man I make up me see me on my doorstep. But me I tell you truth, I want a man. So me not believe him. Probably true you want me make him tell me things about you.
2 women.
Yes, but me not believe you because you don't have no money. You can't afford me. How you going to have 2 more women? You can't afford 3 women, much less.
You couldn't even buy a proper engagement ring. You know, see everything wash out.
Me realize say wash out. But two me there with you for the money.
But I catch you though.
Eh?
I catch you because you think you real. I'm put it for you. Yeah. Oh my God. You're in a
You're
in a restaurant. Watch ya. My man put expensive ring for my finger.
And then me look 2 days after I wash out like this.
Yeah, because I changed the price for the box. It was $1,500. We just put €60 on it. And I catch you.
B,
It
I beg you
catch you.
please, stop giving me the evening. You
You
see what's
think-
so me hungry, don't make it grand.
You don't think that $1.2 million?
Go on, me think you love me that much, you spend so much money for me. But don't worry yourself, me need money, go and go collect your money and come to me and wait for you.
Any man do that for them first date is a jackass. But anyway, we love you though.
Me love you too. Go on for the money.
Alright, wait, don't move.
Me nah move.
Don't move.
Me nah move.
Money I come. How much money you want?
Give me 10 grand for now.
10 grand.
Mm-hmm.
No problem. Don't move, you know.
Me nah move,
Don't move. It don't matter what time, don't move.
Me a wait for you to go period and come back. Me a
Right,
wait for you,
listen,
me nah
don't
go
move.
home, me nah no money. I remember say hello. Don't put me now.
Don't move, man. Just don't move. Tell us listen.
Oh yeah. Mama, we can never come eat some food.
I want the food in that dirty kitchen there.
Why the kitchen
Mama, you know, when you walk past going and pull ever glimpse the kitchen?
No, I'm not.
Okay, glimpse the kitchen tomorrow.
Anyways, me go own a
I know,
place.
and I pull me one Congo.
Me go own a place. So come on now.
You ready?
Yeah, I want to go in there.
I would have to change first, girl.
It don't really matter.
You don't know it. I think about it. Maybe night. So, girl.
Night.
Yeah. So, girl. Like, I him want the place. What we are get?
Mama, where I get?
Mama, where we are get? You can give me management. I'm a ton manager.
No, me.
Mama, you need to go back to school.
Mama.
5 times 5, how much?
20.
You see? You need to go back to school. You can't put in a bar. You can't put in a main
course. Go help him check.
Oh, you gonna help him check? Remy, I can't check.
Remy, mommy can't check. You don't me.
Mama, me asked you a while ago 5 times 5, right?
20.
That me asked you, though.
Yeah.
What you say, so?
Oh, 25, but me can't use my phone.
Mama, you have to use phone now.
What wrong?
Mama, just make you send her back to school.
Well, if that's anything me want, he say we give me.
You can't check.
Mama,
I'm figure
you can't give man be attitude. You feel like
Mama, me not give man no attitude. Don't see the man look feisty. You have to make you know some feisty, yeah.
No, Mama, if
You see man like... Mama, you see man like them? They love these people. I'm telling you that.
Yes, if you let be with the man, so the man not want you be big no manager.
Mama,
if you act nice.
I look for our friend. And money me want make.
What have to talk to him about that?
Mama, you want to talk to him about it?
But what ask him out here what you say?
Yes, but when you ask him, tell him say. Don't tell him say me want you, tell him say you sorry for me and want guinea.
Alright, we know we're gonna put words in the field.
Yes.
So come, me go bed.
You go bed?
Yeah, me not
when I done bed, me come bed, girl. I'm not going to pool in the dirty body.
Seriously, don't have to bother worry no more. I own this place. Me want your son. Okay?
Okay.
But you're not gonna live here for free now.
What do you mean?
You have to go work.
So, when me work, me I get paid?
Yeah.
Oh, so that's still free me I live here?
Yeah. No, you're not living free, Mama.
So, Mama, you tell me so when me work, I got jar room on your tie?
Yeah.
I don't understand that.
Maybe you might not understand. So wait, a free you plan to live ever?
Mama, first time I go back on my yard.
Well, go on
and come
then.
and work.
Okay, go on.
So what kind of work me I get?
When my boyfriend come, we talk about that. He's on his way.
How far in there?
Ma come.
You need to do something about them flyer.
I don't know, it must be rain or light fly. I don't know what kind of fly they do.
Hello, ladies.
Hi.
What's up, sweetheart?
Well, yeah, me alright. Yeah, so my sister now. Sister go work here. She go mop the floors.
So, Mama, I want to come ask you what kind of position me I get. You tell me, say you don't know. You have to wait till him come and tell me. So, all you tell me now, say me I'm not floor.
You have to make in there. Confirm.
No, I'm not no floor.
Come see her.
You have to add a little bit there, go there.
Mama, me not so in need to come map this at the floor. Yeah.
Hold on, sweetheart. What you want to do? What position you want?
If I even the bed, then me get to spread and clean up the room. Them.
We already have someone doing
Switch you over.
There's nothing that switch around here.
Well, okay, then me don't want to work.
You're lucky then.
It's either.
I will stay jobless.
So you don't want to become nothing in life.
May come something in life, but not a janitor.
No, not janitor.
Mama, Yes, you don't. Yes, you don't.
Listen, at least you get money. At least you have money in your
Well,
pocket.
map. Please, yawa. If you're not janitor, yawa. So you just have to say my man a janitor.
You just have to do your work. So you remember, say, have a couple of expensive. Expenses, whatever the word will be.
You wanna be the scullion?
Me alright. Don't sorry for me. Sorry for you.
She don't need sorry for.
Yeah, me not need sorry for either.
You know, say that have no sense. Your brother stay broke.
You know, so how
And
you
that depends on mommy.
You know, so how you behave, you're gonna call me security.
You want me to leave? I can leave, surely. You don't have to call a security. I can move myself.
What's wrong with you?
What's wrong with you? Why am I here come to center? Come on, like.
So that, she drop on car everything.
You look so.
Did you jump on your head?
Why you behave so?
Why you behave so?
The guys just always want to be.
I lie.
You know what? My head hurt me. And I can't get it back and forth with you. You see, if I don't want to work, I leave. Argument said and done.
Always be
But now
like,
fight and beat up my mouth on you.
and just to get there, you used to upgrade life.
See, before me turn it later, me got on con artist and con man.
You know what? Can man, he might shot you.
Yeah, you see, playing deep, you see a bit of and trying to live like her. Remember, me tell her to take back
No.
all like let's say.
The moon never live like her.
Look at her, why not care herself though?
We don't know, she all ginger bell.
She be just like her hairstyle. How much you operate so?
We don't know.
You can't tell me say you're not the same mother and father.
Me ask the same to say, I must end up being other
My
part.
daughter. I'm my daughter.
That's what you do here.
Eh? Follow you, you know?
Oh.
Hey, old man is.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, lads.
Eh?
You could have asked that bossy.
Nice to meet you, sir. Nice to meet you.
Come around.
Can I sit
No.
No,
My
that's
name is
what.
Listen, my name is Mr. Carl. Nobody jump my wall, okay? Come on.
Where is she?
No man, sit here, son. Sit here, son.
No, I sit like this. I can't have a little bit that. I'm proud of you.
Yes.
I've done a good job with that.
Yeah.
Proud of you.
Here, father, this.
Yeah.
Can't see that as well. She behaves so.
So my daughter, what's for dinner here? What were you having?
You hungry?
Yeah, I would like some lobster, some shrimp, some crabs, eggs, Irish, corn, and if I can get 2 whole a piece, then no problem. Put little right and fries on the side and you cut up a whole and lettuce.
Yes.
Yeah,
How many security you see that I get when I come in?
2.
How they look?
Militant.
You sure say pass the security I want to get? How they entertain and they come?
I tell them that I own the place and I tell them that the name.
And how you take off a shirt and I'm a place like this?
Because
Boss, no disrespect, but I put on a shirt.
I do. Put on a shirt.
I'm put out a short.
Yeah, put on a shirt, I do.
Really?
This next time I come from property, they'll come like a real father, like a real gentleman. Don't come with a hair look like that. I forget some money and take care of your father.
Yeah, you really need it.
Really, really. And the next thing again too, we have a subscription. What is that?
Position.
Right, to feel and it's $38,433.62.
Listen, that's
Woo!
that's what I used to feed.
See?
Yeah, Daddy.
That's what I used to feed my pet at home.
Huh?
Just relax.
Yeah, done well.
Yes,
I
sir.
have a lots of animals.
Daddy, come and me.
You see me, I get to know me son-in-law.
Why you acting like that?
I'm never become the owner here, you know. You got to know me son-in-law.
What?
Huh?
Become what?
No, my daughter is the owner. I'm here.
Your daughter is my owner. Okay? So just come see. So where's the wife?
Oh, my wife. My wife is wonderful. young and fresh and nice and doing a
You
good
never
job.
asked that, Daddy.
asked you.
You never asked
I
that.
never asked you how is your wife. I said, where is your wife?
Oh, wife is somewhere around.
Hmm?
Huh?
Can I drink?
Yeah, it come like take cool.
Can I drink, boss?
Oh, Campari and Magnum.
Listen, on my black, on my shirt,
Uh-huh.
on the syrup.
No, man. How's it taste bad?
It's not
So
good.
you never asked that. I'm gonna tell you why we have to drink.
Yeah, listen to me. Or you listen to yourself.
Oh, very true. Very cool.
Come here, sir.
Okay. I want to have a belonging to sit down and say that, Father.
So, Father, I'm the owner of this property. She will soon become my wife.
And become the owner as well.
She grow with you. Why you want to hitch up around her now?
So,
She at your home every day. Now she's spending some time with you.
Me feel like more talk to my daddy for a while. Can you excuse us?
You know, so I don't understand you, Mr. Bills.
Come here, no.
You know, the father number can talk to you.
Yeah, but me have to talk about business. Me have
that's
to-
why next one we have a phone.
I forget the father phone, man.
Yeah, there's something me have to.
iPhone 17.
No, me have an iPhone 16 I come down here. You can't read it over. I'm seeing them. I'm thinking.
iPhone 16.
No.
No, no, I forget 1-6.
Okay.
What?
1-6.
Yeah, yeah.
So around with 6.
6
Better than nothing.
And my
Take it and leave it.
say 6 are in the place. One pay all for.
No. Excuse us for a minute. Come, Daddy, come talk.
Yeah, make it back quick.
Yeah, me go.
Fill it up. And you know, it's the next thing I come home property. Show you have on a show. Your father.
Yeah.
Respect
Come,
my
Daddy.
I like the son now.
Take care of your friends.
Yeah. 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 Shut up. Yo. Elon. No. We can't believe you want to quick away. Yeah. Never buy what Isla shop named Isla Control. Control in green.
Yeah, I'm controlling.
Alright, babe, so I'm going to make it quick, you know.
Yeah, me come. Alright. Daddy, me talk to you.
So I'm going to get the phone.
Daddy, come now. Me buy you something. Yeah.
Alright, my friend, my son-in-law.
Wait, so before?
Oh, son-in-law.
Oh, alright. You know what's up?
Yeah.
I'm going to go here.
Alright.
Hips. Hips.
Yeah?
It's not like hairstyling.
It just come unexpected. Me never
Hips, I
expect
kind of
it.
unexpected you come talk to me about my property, babes. It's like, that's place I go wrong, you know. Why you
And
father
my
you come over
fault.
here and tell me that, babes?
Me never know say that will come.
When I to make any man come from property and lucky say my father, you know.
Yeah, me never know say that will come.
Hey, babes, so she need to know, you know.
I'm sorry, no. So what now?
Your father did.
He live up in the village.
Hey, you know, every time we talk, I look for you that come right now, kissing you. Nobody to listen and you know, sweetness, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, alright, different because we have a long term here.
Yeah, me alright. Me just want to lie down and sleep.
What's that?
Yes, come on.
Come on, tell me everything. Let me go so.
Oh God. How you did do that, so? Girl, me take picture of bamboo. Bamboo? Mm-hmm. Oh. What? Girl? Really? How you do up here? Girl, you don't know Stella could idiot, man. Call me last night. Right?
No, you regular man, you normally calling, I always call you.
In front of such man. run a villa.
So in the new code what happened?
Yes, but he called me, but me didn't in the bathroom. So me when me on the phone, me I tell E that say, Daddy, me I say, Daddy, me so call about me say, call phone can't come off a speaker, you know. Idiot man I go talk about how say me fi tap call him Daddy. And mash up the whole of my plans. Why not him I go look for you now?
But you can't get nothing. He not a money for give. He not have no else to put you up on them. So where you go to him go do?
Girl, me want him tell the man say him and my father. That's me can't sort out the problem.
So you love Villa La Cage?
Girl, I know him Villa La Cage, my love. Me
Oh,
want
you
to
love the
own
money?
the yes. I want to get for own the place. Me not tell you say the man did not make me own the place.
Me hear you.
Okay.
Go on, walk with grace.
You know, say for alright, no worry me what.
All you do is walk and mind man. Oi! Listen to me and listen to me good. Me ears are you mash up my sister plan, you know. All the villa where the man did for gears now. Get you know. You don't know if you hold your mouth. You don't know say you know if you call her, she fi call you. You don't understand the link, me link you. You don't understand the style there.
Listen, I haven't seen her for 2 days. So I called her in the night and I said, baby, what? You want to call no, daddy. You know, me tell her, say, stop calling me over the phone.
Oh, well, they want gone with the money, so she stop can't feed you now. So you see all of them Arizona business, yeah? You know no more Arizona forget. So go on, she gone up there look for you, so go on.
Oh, me?
Yeah, of course.
Am I riding on?
You gone right up there, March God, so you can't go down. You will see her up there on the way.
If it seems as if I'm saying gone from my yard, me not going up there.
And that's for your business, I feel like she must see you.
Oh, see who?
I don't know, and I
See
do
who?
business.
When? Where?
You're
How?
too wicked.
Then know what is wicked?
is wicked?
I helped that girl from the day I know.
We help her, don't she just take man money and mine you. If we go joke tonight and get 1 trick and in care 2-5 gonna get like a idiot.
But I'm here teach her the ropes, so if you
And
get all
you
the
feel the
money.
pain?
No.
Me don't know, but
Me
she
not
don't have
business
no
with that.
sense. Alright, see she homeless, they put her up now.
A cat house me living at.
Oh,
And your sister, you can put her
me
up.
don't have no space.
Oh, so when you're there around there, live lavish too and that's
I never live lavish around there, yeah?
And
And you see the pool, I never go in there because I never like the water. So don't use no pool to catch me.
and you can't put up your sister.
Me not have no space for her. I mean, I want when me asleep, me see she a ride me man fi come feed you.
You know what, since I sit down for me, I go back down. So if you pass back, you say,
Me tell him, see you gone back down, so go on. You coulda go high, go low, she must see you one day.
you see,
But me not really see sense she a walk and look for you because you don't have no money.
we tell me no money. Me have Arizona drink.
And she buy you.
That no say,
So where money there we
the
are?
money done now. So me done with she.
Ah.
But this is between me and you, you know, tell her that. You see, once a woman have no money, the connection cut off. So make she stay up there, so. Yeah? Don't tell her say to me, though.
Alright.
Hey, look at dirty man now up there. Me and him, me must but watch her. You not live nowhere. I guess you live.
Mama, I live somewhere. So if you did live somewhere, you would have to walk and look for no man where did a mine. Speaking about man where you are mine, I just see me now.
Nothing wrong with mining, man. Sometimes I have to mind them because at the end of the day, they will mind you, but when they have it. Anyways, low me alone. Let me mind me, man. Are your money? Where you say now?
Me see,
When they?
him gone back down the road. Him say him don't have nothing to you and him say, once your money done, him done with you.
I must buck him because him can't done with me.
And him say, you have to go to the hospital.
Go do what?
One cent where you walk with no right.
That he say?
Me I tell you.
You sure say that he say?
That him tell me.
Wait until I buck him and he living on me, sir.
He say actually never have no other option. But now he get a little thickness, so he no need it again.
Make sure say that he say now.
Hello, take the tick out of my face. Take the tick out of my face.
Because sometimes when people tell you things, you can't tell people. You add power, you want add money and take off, you want take off. So you try
You
make
see,
sure.
if you did want to catch me, I walk fast. Because I think he reach at the end part of the lane mouth. Run, go on.
Me not run back no man. Walk me there walk.
Night, you go kill you tonight out the door.
Lord of God, what you know? Baby!
Now come baby me. Don't come baby me.
What me I look for you? You know me I look for you?
You know say you're liar. You know say you're wicked. You're a liar and you're wicked. You know how long we dey talk that way for you?
Oh, sugar.
You remember where you left me? I say you go for money. You soon come back.
Oh, me thinking the move.
And the next morning me move. I'll do fall for me.
Baby, you have me
Yes, if you don't move, you soon come back.
I saw 50,000 me come and turn up and move.
You say you give me to me weird penny.
No, listen, you should have the move, man, because then you get tired. My grandmother is sick and need a run in her belly. So me just go there, help her every minute. Me have to go to the toilet every minute. So me couldn't come, you know.
You say you know, you're too life for me, I mean, that. First of
No,
all,
me not lie.
you see the relationship I already have, it done. Me don't need your money no more.
How it done?
But you have me thump away pay you how long, you have to make it up to me. Me thump away pay you how long. Long time me thump them, remember I need the money, me I'll do all me head.
You see, and them I think me not like with you, you know. Look how, for me, look catty where you see me, they get the money from me now.
You can't go and go there with she.
There we do.
No she?
Me just see sister, you know, not too long, you know. And his sister tell me, say, the man over here, me I chat to her on phone and put her out now, so she not have no money. So me not really need her, so you have me, you know. So you can just start get a man now and mind me.
No.
Because me used to mind you.
You're mad? You crazy? You sick? I'm for take man money and mind you.
So, for your man money mind you.
Actually, you never have none. That's the reason why.
No, you can't
I'm a
do that,
fuck
man. You can't do that. You can't do that.
Me I give you 2 days.
2 days for what? If you come back in your life? Oh, God. I like that.
If you find 100,000, forgive me. I never want 50. I need 100.
Repeat what I say.
100,000. You there?
You know what is 100,000?
Tell me an idiot.
You think minimum wage can get 100,000 within 2 days?
No?
You think taking up a gun and go rob a bank and lose my life to get 100,000 is worth it? When me then 6'6", so another man there around you?
No worry about that. You going to be the only one. I'm going to wait for you. Let me get your money.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Oh,
Let me get the
really?
money. Yes, we're going to need the money.
You go wait for me?
Yes.
Take up gun.
Yes.
Minimum wage can't get that. In a 2 days
Right.
time. Go rob somebody.
Yes.
And then when I check it out, boy, me done the party gun lay down dead.
Yeah. Let me wait till I reincarnated.
Who?
Carnated.
You see, when you reincarnate your face, you talk to me. I'm
Yes,
bright,
what-
you're bright. You see, when you reincarnate your nose, you talk to me. You see, when you reincarnate your forehead, you talk to me. You see, you're nothing but a wicked, selfish girl.
You see, anytime you reincarnated done this, so you turn up properly, you chat to me. Bright. I'm face with me pan my dear, yeah.
Are you? Why you come like you don't live nowhere. Eh? Every single time I pass you see what I say.
You go up,
And the
me
man-
there. You go down, me I go there. But you don't live now, eh?
Who don't live
You
nowhere?
gonna stop walk. At least me catch somewhere sit down. You're up, you're down, you're up, you're down, you're up, you're down.
You see me have to work. Me have to make money.
You see me? Me have to hustle. I write to some misty and get my dinner.
From who?
No worry your head, him soon pass.
Mine and the man go to the lay away to the thief, you know.
No.
Cause Christmas are coming, you know.
I don't have a thief in goat.
Cause me we go tell
Let me
you.
ask you something. And when you plan to put up my sister? Cause last night Judah kill him out of the door, you know. And
Me?
me not put him up.
Put her up.
Yes.
Evelyn, sir. Him broke like a dog. She broke like a dog. What me I doing something like that? Eh?
So let me ask you something. You can't even lend her some money.
With what? And she used to mind me, you know.
So all that money she gave you, Danny?
Yeah, me use it for my mother. My mother come.
You have mother?
Yeah, my mother come first.
You have mother?
Yes, me buy her.
You have mother? Your mother living?
Me buy her medication.
Yes, dirty dog. You never think me that will buck up on you now.
Oh, you know, ask the sister for you. Me a walk and look for you over the globe.
You the ask me sister with
Yeah.
You the ask me?
Yes.
And my sister tell me say when you hear say me gonna pay you the turn back and on so I know when you did tell me say me want go doctor. Why you never tell me say me want go doctor? Why make you never tell she?
Hello. Me tell you say your sister want go doctor.
Me tell you say you want go doctor?
You not tell me. Yeah, I mean ask you so much time ask you if
No! Me tell you say you coulda got the doctor go sleep. That me tell you man.
Oh, me a look for you.
Get in your head. Me never tell you that. But in the turn back for you. You turn back.
No, me
You tell me say no want see her. You not no money. She not no money.
yes. About once my money done, you're done with me.
No, baby.
And that you tell her.
Are you mash up my plans? You go fix it, you go call the man. Me go call the man, you go tell the man say you're my father.
Me can't do that.
Why? You don't want money.
Me done expose myself already.
How you do it? You chat too much.
Before you say shh. Yeah. Daddy. You listen to me, she.
From me tell you say daddy, you must get me pray if you have sense and have no meds you bring now.
That because that 2 days have me and give me a little cho. So me did want the cho.
Me tell you say, don't call me unless me call you. Me will call you. I'm not much business me I deal with.
Move like your sister. You see your sister.
Some sister you want know?
If she didn't move like me, she would have there with you. Cause me not take up you.
Why?
Me not mind no man at 2025.
Nothing wrong with mine, my man.
Oh, what about sis?
Get tell girl, Lisa. How are this? How are this? Why you see me? What? How are this, sir? How are this, sir?
I'm a sister.
Oh.
My sis.
Oh.
My girlfriend.
Oh. Correction.
My sister-in-law.
No, me and your sister-in-law.
Hello.
Me sister money done.
Hello.
But that you tell we.
Come for
So
the- come
any
for the money.
100,000 what she want, you go to give me sister.
Which
Cause
money?
my sister need to go somewhere. Go
So what
live.
kind of money your sister could have want from you now?
100,000 top what can't say me sister, you know.
Hello. Yeah, there.
So
My
you
sister needs somewhere
is
to
you?
stay.
My girl, you man know who me be, me know who you be. Yes, we didn't mind him, he mind me. It's a long time you never your money, now your money don't have time to talk to you anymore, you know, important. Hello, with the 100,000 there.
You chat too much.
What's the problem?
Me tell you the man they want him now. Me tell
You
you.
never know that.
But you know.
What problem?
You so cockatiel
Yes.
like gonna take man money
Yes.
where you don't know where the man I get it from.
I don't.
You look at that girl, you so bright and fierce. You really stand up in front of me and tell me say you I get my money and then me. You have no
My
style.
girl, is it before you fight me, the man if you fight, I me take your money from you.
You want style? Hey girl, go here. Hey girl.
You know I'm party sister.
Me not fight. Me not get it from the
We not
You tell me money again, dirty girl.
Me never give me money.
So who you give it then? Who you give it?
It's sharp.
Who shop?
And
What? Nothing in that shop, you know. It's shop empty.
relax, no man. Relax. Let's kick this. What I do? Me tell her no. You see your sister? Me give her.
You not give me no.
Tell her,
No,
tell me.
make me have to get
Alaya,
money
tell me.
out here. Where you give me?
Alaya, tell me. You see there something here?
If you reach you at 2025, which young girl is your mind man? Which young girl is your mind?
Me.
Big old. That's why you're the homeless. And that's why
I'm in a homeless. Come here, go back for the man. Avoid me. How you know say man don't want me?
Check
Me go
underneath you.
friend him up.
Check underneath you. See there? Lies wrap.
Where?
See the ground?
Where? Find it now.
If they are ground, where you want me?
Find it.
Girl, go on. You see, as of today.
Sick girl.
Sit on the house, somebody.
Yo, what's up? It's your girl Kena, and I'm here with Big Fat Kayla. Forward.
One and only, welcome guys, welcome back to PFS Film. And I just want you guys to watch this movie, like, comment and share guys. But I don't want to click on the movie and watch the movie and then just come off of the movie because the movie look boring. Understand? Just watch the movie, man. The movie are nice. Epic. I have to say to the audience.
Alright. Big up to fans, them, you see me? Big up to Cynthia Reid. Big up to Empress GTV. If you now watch this and you no skip way out, make sure you go over to Empress G channel and watch our cooking videos. Big up to Mother Flex, Active from Foreign, and Oxtail. You hear me?
Big up them.
Big them up. Make
Big
sure
time.
say you like, comment,
Comment,
share,
share,
subscribe, and do everything. If you skip it, you diss it.
Right.
Later.
Watch out for the reality TV coming out. You know, bad things that go on, you know, well, if secrets, real life things, you know. That is.
Alright, Kayla. Chinese, how you watch?
Cartoon.
Cartoon? You go up on the road, go all a drink with them boys there, you see me? So, on the free to go on, you want to steal them. Now go on a distance to take a walk if you don't want to take a walk, because it's going to be a long day for me on the road.
Okay, be careful.
Yeah. And make sure the plate them wash it. That's the most important part. The plate straighten up. And no man, yeah, please.
Yeah.
Because remember some of the mother left on the palm me, and I mean one.
Okay.
And me changing the pamper. Sometimes all you pay running this and running that, and you have hard bone.
Yes, darling, yes.
Okay. Make sure everything fixed up properly.
Mm-hmm.
Later, yeah?
Yeah, later.
Sunday.
Bring me a coming up. Me know your money.
No, but me see that they put money up there, so.
Where?
Up there, so.
Who can take up the money?
No.
Take up it.
So, you can. We can't reach up there, remember me short.
Me push you up there.
Me short.
Me say me push you up there. See you reach up there.
But me can't find.
See it there, so.
5 minutes later.
Come on. Oh, I can see over here. Sit down.
There's some more to do, that's so cool.
Oh, God, like how we are grew up nice.
You know long we not take a walk together?
Mm-hmm.
Yes, how we them at the breeze out there, shop ya?
Mouse. I sound like a creamy that.
Yes, cream man.
Mm-hmm. Like a him. You tell the couple so come here and camera for it up.
I've got tape.
I'm gonna have to tape that. Put it in the north of so how better party and the kitchen. No, you can't do that.
You know what to two of you be together?
Yeah, but
Okay.
not ready for that.
A creamy, you know?
My come with it, come. So, little we get big and we all live like said us.
Yeah, but
Yes,
more
it
did funny bigger room.
Me not business, me the club, me take the club room.
Mm-hmm.
And it was we die,
At least you accept it. No, we can't hold that one again.
Yeah.
No, you're dead first.
So if me dead first, make sure you left space in my grave and not bury me.
No.
So you can fit in there.
So tell us me have money for bury you.
What you mean? That the pension money. Remember say I'm drunk, you know.
But no want the pension for build a house.
What about my burial?
Girl, don't worry about that right now. Enough animal there will eat body.
Sometimes I just can't like it.
I have to stay with me.
I don't care, me can't.
And then me I say, bicycle must see I move slow.
Yeah.
I creamy.
That means you cost some more. Alright.
What flavor ice cream you have?
Vanilla and grape nuts.
Vanilla.
Corn?
Yeah. I can't do that.
Yeah, go on. What you want, man?
One we can buy.
Thanks. Thanks.
Oh.
Come, hit some. Can you bigger?
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, move fast though.
No, slow me, I'm
Wait. Can't take that because I like to cone. So I don't live cone, that's why I'm telling you cone. Ready to go up. Come on. You know that? What do you say, money missing?
No. What is it for daddy?
Huh?
What do you have?
What made you so?
Is it quick to come back?
Me no bother drink today.
Sure.
Me no bother drink today.
Why?
When me $500 me left up this. That me ask about.
We don't know what I'm
Cause me realize that me go a road and me stay put up like $500 up there so. Someone have to know today, yeah. Who really take up me $500?
Let me take a pay.
For what?
I'm about asking for me now.
Why you couldn't she take care of me coughing?
Sometimes you want it.
Because me not like you. Your mother put me tell you already say your mother put in that chimney right here.
I never trim me. Excuse me going now.
Listen me man. I'm matter of fact, you know me what start do? Me no want you go on road.
I'm sick.
Go on in, I'm matter of fact.
Mom,
And look how the place look.
remember
Me
say,
don't say if you style it up.
me wanting money. If you buy the pump them.
Alright, now we go to a fire station and get a free pump. You go on in. Listen me. You see that son today?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my God, use fire station pump. Asthma pump.
Yes, they refill it down there. You carry it down there. And they will give you paper and you get it free. You go on in. Me not have no money right now. The money when me didn't want to drink.
Telephone them.
Yeah, that's true, you know. You feel like if you telephone, you know.
Not my phone.
Me buy you
Should
for your
have
bad,
none.
your bad mind, though.
And a bad mind, you make me dead.
Me buy
Which one you rather? You use the phone and take man and me dead.
You see how I take, man?
Serious it now, man. But me not suggest, me can't suggest something.
Oh, you frightened eye cards. God know me I tell you. Me did not give her the hand back a while ago because listen me, you know I cannot belly come in
Me
here.
and
So.
bring the belly come every time I wash the belly for people.
Me never dey wash it down. But she had the bigger one, make she go breathe before you.
So she not go on, me at a bar.
She can breathe before you because me well want to find a money man to come out of this house fast and quick. You know. So
You see you want to get rid of me?
me no want to get rid of you, but you eat too much. I'm not like that.
Food make for eat. Have to eat for put on
plate
weight.
make for wash. Go and wash it.
Sure, if you are time for wash it.
Two wanna go wash it. One. One.
See man, come on lie down.
You hear what I say?
Nothing lie down. Go and wash it.
No, me want to sit down. So my leg down here, sit down.
Alright. One lie down, one sit down. Me I go and road back. Since I don't use my $500 dog, me I'm gonna suffer because me I make sure me eat myself some KFC.
See me some spot right there so.
Yeah, tell me something miss back before you tell me if you give a broom, make a damn in sweep the place.
And you that is if you rake up the yard, sweep it up, clean it
And
up.
yeah, little one.
I tell me something if you do nothing. I mean I wash belly. Let the place.
What this? Sweep up the place. Tell me say you not sweep you up.
No,
Don't want you tell me you not sweep you up.
Nobody come make that.
I want to do that, put the back left in and create.
You tell me what to do.
Me don't talk, I mean I
You
sit
tell
down
me what to
now.
do. Oh, come here, they go tell daddy when daddy come here. Say about to do with me. What tell him?
Serious about them there, if you go in and create.
Me they go tell daddy say you out for about to abuse me.
And you have 5 minutes to do all of that.
You don't rush me out.
You have 5 minutes to clean up this so and yes so. And
And
you
what
want
you
to run
there
this
for?
so and clean and the crooks
And
they
what
want wash.
And what you there for?
Me don't talk, you know. The crooks them in the bucket want wash.
You have big fitness in looking at your father. Stop him out. No, wait.
Without me, us, or the bill. If you never know, say I'm going to have me or the Billy. Me that still sleep in a gambling house.
No, it would appeal. Come with you know, say me they come.
No, without me, you couldn't come. You're right.
And I never come here. And my mother and my father make me come in.
And me first make them know so they can have picnic.
Me still would have come anyway, take it.
You're lucky. Maybe you'd have come sickly.
No, you're the master.
Give thanks to me, make me
Remember,
test
say
the
you
yes,
get
me test
asthma.
the water first. Make me tan.
Feel like me like it.
You feel like me like that? Hello, see back me and sweep them up, you know. And see Malta back put in a crate. Anything back in a crate. You beer back in
Me
a
not the super sitting, you know. Me not the super sitting, me don't chat. Me not the super sitting, me tell her that. Now for what me out.
And me I tell that.
And you me I tell that.
Take the crate, the back out of that and put it in the crate, me say.
Don't call that, me not do no work. Bright.
Look, Marga pit me a ramp with do God. I wonder if you know, say me take it back and bust him head. Alright, don't sweep it. You see where you're going here, me later.
Daddy.
Where you do on the road?
And you me I look for what you do.
Me last.
Yes. What you doing
Me
wrong?
no know me yard.
Daddy, be just like daddy.
I'm
You
me
don't
yard.
even reach 10 o'clock yet, daddy.
I'm me yard. Me a come. Where you?
Look, sir. That's them way. Out. Cause me not understand, you know. Me not understand. Show me room.
Show we show.
That room there. I'm me saying now, me up here, you know. And through the one Shanice a bully me say me a come and you nothing but favor anyway that come from rum shop. What wrong there?
So let me ask you a question. For me money.
So, I say if you mind me, because she sick, you know, she have asthma, you know. And the pump them gun. And you feel like you want to pan rum.
And my money. I mean walk it.
So,
When your mother, no mother, phone you will on carry it to one. It is one. When you come like a no mama.
come here, push for that.
When you want to control my life.
But I can't tell your life. I good thing I said if you tap drink and smoke, you know, good for your health. You the power water, it's supposed to go to the road and can't bound to kill you now. Who take you away?
You ever see a drunk man walk out in a road and get bugs?
You know what can't happen.
Hmm?
You know what can't happen. What she got it here?
2 finger.
See there, and 2 fingers, 5 fingers. See there. 5 fingers.
Listen me. A man you really come out on the road.
And you me come to. And then, tell me about man.
Me left one in the yard, you. Me think you did out.
Auntie, me say, what wrong with the kiss? Me give a lick there with the back juice.
What your problem?
Who they call talk to Shanice?
What am I doing?
He might walk me out to tell us if he sleep up here and
Yeah.
she make do it. I mean, I do it, me if you do nothing. Me hungry upon road. Let me ship upon you, you know. Let me ship upon you.
Me buy the bread for the fridge top. I mean,
Sauce bread! Sauce bread! No egg, no up there, no Frankfurt up there, no up there. No only there. What we going to have sauce bread with? Not even butter.
you don't make black sugar and drink and
No,
give me
no,
a
no,
money.
the money we take and much of that. How much is that specially?
400.
400, right?
Mhm.
That can buy, how much you want francs? $50 for 1 franc. How much francs that can buy an egg? You know what that can buy? Who will leave?
So,
Tell me waste the money. And plus the cigarette.
$200.
Exactly. You're going to spend the money. Are you hungry? What time? Walking like a about 9. You know, make a purpose for you. Come go up.
Chinese with you?
Yes, go up.
Come.
Go on up.
Come.
Go on up. No. Go up. You have to watch your back. One. You know, watch out. And never drop me now and pick you up. And that me I tell you. Watch out. Jesus Christ. Watch out. You see the day I stumble? You see, oh, you day I stumble. You never drop and make me drop you. Push your back down.
You have it.
Me like just beat you.
You have it still with me, man.
I just 9 o'clock, around 9 o'clock, I hear they drinking every 10 o'clock here. What wrong with you? What wrong with you? Eh?
You have to feel the spirit.
Spirit hour, somebody dead for you?
No.
Who dead for you?
When they drink you rum, I get the spirit.
Which spirit you get now? Which spirit I tell you?
Huh?
My spirit I tell you?
So box to get torn when they go up there.
Hey, box on any of your boxes. I can't enter around, me just beat you. You're not gonna energy. Tell her that. And you're not gonna remember nothing when you're sober.
So you deal with your father.
Exactly, if you take advantage of you, no. When they're ready, they beat me.
So you're angry your father.
Yeah, I show me sit up and ready to lick you over with.
After your father make sure this morning when he get up before he go a rum shop and buy one bread with
So what's some bread can't eat? What time I tell you what eat the bread with?
So what bread make for?
Eat. But me not supposed to bread, we can't eat the bread. We too much can't too much that.
Oh, your mother used to cook so the rice, give me.
That's you, whatever me cookie go. That's you.
Anyway, come, cause this Chinese now me are taking and throat and they go there.
Yeah, go out when I throat.
You go right. Why dare he put finger upon you?
I don't know who you want to fuck.
Huh?
Take the whole car.
You have to whap up him backside. What you expect? What you expect?
Yes, but
What you expect?
I want it.
Oh, you gonna disturb me after me drinking and talk about she not wake up the yard?
She never rake up in that middle, rake up at me left feet. He never did rake up.
Chinese. Who rake the yard?
Me rake the yard.
Stop
Me
telling
give me broom, cause me can't find the rake. And tell him say fi broom up the place. He tell me say, he know fi do not know my younger one.
No, she. Daddy, take that.
Two years younger one. You know if you do nothing.
That he
Daddy,
tell
you
me. He tell me say you in
No,
love.
two daddy junk. And stop it, daddy junk. You know, it not much sense.
Me can't help him.
And your father, you see, no have no sense, girl.
Daddy tell me.
Me tell you when your father no have no sense. The day when me buck your mama and your mama trick me. That the day me never have no sense. And your mama put me out of my house.
Beat him.
Now make me have to come back and me look cutter. When me did
Something
that
like
before.
you.
Beat him.
Check him out.
Don't tell me shut me mouth, cause me sweep up the place and me look
And
on
me do it,
breakfast.
Daddy.
Me give her bread and butter and she dash away. She said she don't want that a patty she want.
I lie.
I'm cutting you off.
We don't look for bread and butter.
This morning.
Which this
This
morning?
boy you wheel about to go and look for man.
I lie.
Man, girl. Get up. Get 3 or 8 in your finger, I can't big man.
Let it up now.
But, no, I'm bridging the pan idea. I'll show it to my film. Okay? Oi! Oh, where you run from, so?
Man from far.
You run from your father?
Yeah.
Sure.
You want to beat me? I beat my sister to kill out Palm ready to beat me too.
Your father want beat him? Say how much?
19.
19-year-old you. Your father beat.
Tired.
You're tired?
Yeah.
Come on, sit down. Come on, sit down.
Yeah.
Like you, sit down. So what's your name?
Shanice.
Shanice?
Yeah.
So your father want beat you for? I wanna do.
My sister got tell lie. She wake up the yard and me wake up the yard.
And I
Me give him bread and butter and him dash me and say no want it. Tell me fire say me no give him nothing for it. I cannot hear.
So your sister not like you then?
No. Not like me at all. I don't know, I'm tired.
So what you gonna do now?
Me I wait till him drop asleep and go back over and hand her rum. Hand her hile. So he said then drop asleep and I go back and run bar.
So your father touch your man?
No, my father. No, my father never do that. No, say them something there.
So you have to wait till him chop a seat to go back in the yard?
Because me not want him beat me. I beat my sister. Me not want him take you out upon me. You come talk about touch. My father no stay so. My father had a garbage.
So I can't be so haggish.
Can you come talk about
I just say something I mean, you know? I mean, I just say something.
I don't even know who you be. Me can't talk to you.
Oh, my name Trey. Trey, my name. I live right up this one.
Up where?
Right around this one.
Oh.
Mm-hmm.
So I don't know you.
No, I'll probably try for say I run come way up here, so. You see,
Come in
actually,
the left
you're
me
running
yard.
and make you reach so far, you know, way up here, so, you know. Oh, you're not left your yard?
No. My
So
father no make me left the yard.
Girl, when I left the yard, you know, anybody, you know. I don't say father beat her.
Father beat me because me rate the yard and my sister tell me like she rate the yard. Chow. I mosquito up here. That's why I left me
You
yard.
can't
You
get to know you more. You have
We
phone?
want to know about me.
You have phone?
No, you buy me one.
I don't know phone.
You buy me one.
So
And you want to text
when you're
me.
there in your yard, what you do?
Watch TV. That what father left with if you do.
No, so you can put WhatsApp on TV.
You buy me one.
What? Phone or
TV.
See, you know how in your yard?
After everybody, for me and my sister, she love chat.
Oh.
She go inform.
So you have your own room?
No, me not sleep.
Can you still go chat with me by your TV?
No, not talk.
How?
You said you buy me the TV or you buy me the phone.
Alright. Wait, you can meet me back here tomorrow?
What time?
Later on.
You have to tell me the time when I can look on the sun and figure it out. I mean, I have a phone.
You just ask the father the time.
Me can't ask him no time. I ask me when me they go with time.
What make? Tell him say, a batch will be able to use this at time and say, I want to know the time. Simple.
Suppose in the
your
yard.
father drink rum, that means he hardly have sense.
Suppose in the yard.
What?
Suppose in the yard.
Suppose you know in a yard?
Yeah.
Fine, somebody after me time. Listen, you go come check me 2 o'clock. You hear me? 2 o'clock.
Alright, now come
12,
2:30.
12 now. 12 minutes after 12. Okay, time look. You can't know. What time?
12:30. 2:30.
Alright, 2:30 and this back up. Tomorrow, you know.
So why me can't meet her today? Alright, tomorrow. May I get the phone or TV?
We will make you know when you come tomorrow.
Me don't want an Android phone, you know. Me don't want a second-hand phone.
Okay.
Me don't want a button press.
So you hype. I have to say it in the house.
Me I can't go back over because me don't want my father suspect me gone. Tomorrow, 2:30.
Alright.
Ano girl? Mami ayo. Yes, yes. So you feel that me gone for everybody. After you push down your father.
Never push her down.
You know-
Akela make you drop. And tell lie upon me.
When me
Come
tell
on, me help you.
when me tell you if you do things in a yard, you have to do things in a
I'm
yard.
the sweep up here, please.
She
Look, me put the buckle them in a harder. So
Oh.
when you're drunk and can't more buckle, me can put them in there.
So that's how I can tell everybody on the job to come back and come in.
Me need to go and road.
And where you run go a while ago?
Me go down the hill.
Go do what?
Me go run from you.
Where me do you?
You want to lick me.
Me? Me lick you?
See your cellular there ring.
Me lick you?
Look how much phone you have. And I want you one that phone there. Suppose when I we dead up here.
Me can't come in. Yo, listen. Yeah, man. See everything for me. Yeah. Yes, man. Good. 2 drink. All right, sir. Good. All right, yeah, man. You're good in. Go on in. Me and the boys, them going to have a drink.
Alright, later.
No. Bread today, I want a whole lot of bread. Just make some sugar and water. Heat bread for the day. Just done the bread, yeah?
Yeah, later.
Yeah.
Girl.
You see you? I don't like you.
Okay,
Sometimes Musha just dead.
I smoke all about Ekene. Come little Crafty sister come here. I smoke all about Ekene.
Cross is like you. I'm not a
Girl,
Jimmy
no
fan.
calling you. No calling you. What wrong with you?
Me hate you.
I will get the beat of them. Little liar. You give me bread and butter.
Me give you bread. Me put the bread on the fridge. Put the butter in the fridge. You don't know if we got slice it up.
I tell us if I give me bread and butter. I mean, you say freak up your yard. You don't say me not like you.
Anyways, me I get one phone tomorrow and a big iPhone.
Big
and bigger than
iPhone.
your phone.
So where you get iPhone from? Daddy not get no phone.
You don't worry your head where me I get phone from.
Where I get phone
You
from?
don't mix up.
Oh, mix up.
Yo!
Mix up. From a cockroach.
Me have you around the shed. Me hate you. Me not like you dead.
No, me so dead left you.
Dead now. So we can bury you.
No, you say we got, or when me dead, where you get out there? When you go get it when me dead?
More money.
You not get the money, you don't not get none now.
Because you tell that they lie.
What me tell her the lie say?
See your hair braid and my hair can't braid all of now. I go pluck them out in your sleep. Just watch.
Oh.
Test me for you.
Sophia. You think me like a girl?
Me don't like you either.
And I don't care. From Father God like me, I'm okay.
At least my mother never run left me in the hospital.
Oh, my mother don't left me. My mother abandoned me on my father's doorstep. No, at least he left me so much for me protected in the hospital. And like your mother, or put in a chimney and do what we remember.
Make me turn to the chimney. We don't even know if them switch you at the hospital. Girl, don't talk.
Nobody switch for the hospital. You say me like you? Me don't know what we are face share this.
I'm going to kick you off of the bed tonight. Test me feet.
What is your fear? You say me like you?
Don't talk to me.
Give me this. I feel me pillar this damn. Watch out. I mean, come on, beat me. God. I mean, come on, beat me. God. This is my rap potato. I mean, come on, beat me, potato. This was here, let me get this God.
Wagwan.
Say sit down, not so.
We are all a minute in my morning.
What time?
That time for me?
You don't have 2 phone and press a bike. You don't have phone at the end. You never buy me a phone.
So,
When you did sick, what do you have me change your pampers?
hey, you see me away. Girl, but nobody hear you say me away.
Man, I rum. Take time talk, man. Take time talk. Let me keep blood pressure go. You know, I plan to buy more phone. Alright, suppose somebody buy more phone, me can take it.
You're 19, you can work and buy your one.
But suppose somebody sell me one, me can buy it from them.
Wait, you have money?
Me have money.
Oh, okay, you can buy it.
Can buy it.
Yeah.
So then I go out.
Daddy.
So what you worry about me going out? Eh? Where you want me going for? Where is it, Taylor?
Yeah, she
I make breakfast for you.
All right, yeah, tell.
I choo.
Sit. Be like Kayla.
I run a corner bar, she go buy. Run a corner bar. We are talking about be like
That's still a
Kayla.
corner bar?
Run a corner bar, she go
That's
buy.
still a corner bar?
Breakfast.
That's
Six
still a
idea
corner
and
bar?
fly. Eat it. I hope nothing no sprinkle in there. I can't taste it first. You can't
Daddy, I
taste
feel
it.
you, Daddy. Eat
See?
it.
You can't taste it.
Daddy, nothing wrong with the food, Daddy. Me just don't eat it, Daddy.
Oh,
So I feel about something gear when I eat.
Unlike you when I make no game for eat.
Come in on the money for a corner bar. Go buy
I don't
box
kind of. Daddy, no, you buy it. No, you buy egg.
Mm-hmm.
And lettuce and macaroni.
Yeah, can you cost me yesterday say me I buy sauce and bread?
Right. I ain't buy me look both. That's still a corner bar. We put a corner bar that sell.
Now back to you now.
Yeah.
Why you ask me what time I go?
Daddy, like me buy your food and so me can't go down and go check my friend.
Me want to go down the road too.
Listen to me.
Let me see where you go. I mean, I be going now. That's when him carry in the belly in the pan you, and you animal want to go there. Make me see if me can't go down the road.
You know,
Make me see if me can't go down the
Me go down there,
road.
Daddy. Me go down the
you're
road.
free if you go on.
Thank you.
Listen to me. You now go wash your belly. I wash your mouth. Anyway you want put in my teeth, I rub me hand on. Make me a chat fat. You now go watch. She is the best right now. What you are do? What you do pertaining to
Me a look walk. You come and chat about what me a do. All in do and yam down the pocket. And sweet you up when you want friggin' guy and go somewhere.
from you turn 18, right? Till you turn 19, we never see you work. And she just turned 18 over the year. And I plan to go look work every day and come to me and say, Daddy, tap Jim Crumb. You never yet come to tap Jim Crumb.
No business about a man when a business about himself. Patient the care doctor was. You ever hear something like that? Me if you run back at you and say tap drink, tap drink, tap drink, tap drink, you will never live to see that happen.
You know, me soon put you out.
You can't put me out of this no day no time. Me more likely to put you out. Remember that. I be cleaning ya. Oh, you're bright. You don't even sleep here.
Alright.
Hey, that's me. Hey, man. Kena, come here, girl. Come here. Make it look so.
What tell me about come
They had me some they want to come.
Me not
I'm
do
tired.
I don't care.
How happened?
Me have you up.
Why you have me up?
Yeah, dog shite. Yo, let me tell you. You call me yesterday and tell me say you can't link me.
Yeah.
I have me turn up out around like me a buffoon.
Do you don't know what happened? My sister catch up after and father come in and beat me and me couldn't left the yard. Me not end up fight. Remember you know year before when she come in?
May I ask you something?
Mm-hmm.
Big 18 and 19 year old like you still get lit.
Yeah. We follow no business. Me so move out. To touch me I know if I go.
You look
Roadside. So where
You
you want to go?
Gaga shop.
Everywhere they gonna bring your sister. I wish me and my sister dance everywhere town they go. Town we don't live good. We don't cuss and fight.
No, what was that?
Every day me and my sister cuss and fight. I don't like her. And she don't like me. I also do not like her.
You look. Well, maybe cause we grew up with two parents. She her father favorite, me and my mother favorite. You know, it's like your parent are only a favorite one now. No? That's
My
why
father
we
will
don't
live
know
with.
jealous.
Father will
That's
live
like,
with.
you know, say your
Yeah,
parent.
you know how much sense I be a drinking come in full.
No, me
And my
say why
sister
you
like,
come
you know.
so.
Oh, me time.
Full.
Fufu.
Take a chat off your pa.
Okay, I know business if me fufu. Nobody no sensible.
Where did I see for yesterday?
Oh, me I say, me tell her same girl. Up I had me get up. My sister tell big lie. But how? Him give me bread and butter for eat and me dash. Why you gonna give her bread and butter, you know? And give me some freak up in and me break up in and tell her the boy why him break up in and make daddy come beat me out of hose. Now hose pipe. You know the pipe them?
No.
Why then me get the cutter and come in they want push fight. So me have to beat him, come not like him.
You beat him or them beat you up.
Yeah, right. Me can't fight. Me take this thing for.
So
Not
me
because
can-
me manga.
Hey, that way, look here.
So why your sister don't talk? I don't see her.
No, you can't ask me that. I used
Hi.
Either ways, me I go shop.
Jesus Christ.
Me I go shop.
Me can't do that.
Me can't do that.
Go on shop, me come. Me not move, me tired.
You look well, sit down.
You must me can come back juice.
Me nah no money.
I see a bad man and me, so I don't like you.
You
Me
say
get to
you
eat
tough,
you. Me turn tough. Cook on you, you're like a thread.
Me talk about the fucking family.
Somebody just call me and say, Kayla drop down on the road. Me so come here. So come, Kayla drop down.
Somebody call. Yeah. No one. I'm a family idiot. I bet you want less yard. You must see some guy idiot. Some guy idiot. You keep some guy idiot. I want me fight this. I want me fight. Yeah? Somebody. Somebody show you who call who.
Oh God, time hot man.
Baby. Like, look, you know. Be honest. What your name?
My name Kayla.
Kayla, your name?
Yeah,
It was a long time I see I like you, though.
like me.
Yeah, for real.
But even if me didn't like you back, you wouldn't work because you drink rum. You just said they have rum cup in your hand.
Baby, watch you. No worry about that. I'm going to put it down over here, so.
No,
I'm not
stop.
drinking now.
Me know nobody would have drink rum because my father drink rum and he fool.
He
Can't take it-
fool?
He fool bad. He not no sense.
You
Not
like
at
him
all.
drink too much rum. You
Yeah,
understand?
he drink paper rum. He not no sense. Me know
Him
nobody
drink till he
rum.
high, but me drink for catch a vibes. You see me?
Oh, me understand.
Yeah, so me just step on a normal level. Me not step on nothing too high. You understand?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So, I want to get to know you better still, Kayla. Can I get to know you better?
Yeah, sure, but we have to be friends first now because we know you like at my first. Me I see you.
Yeah.
Yes, what's your name?
You know, say Jordan Sparks and call me still.
Oh, Jordan Spark.
Mm-hmm. For real, man.
See, you can't sit down, you know. You have to turn up your foot and hurt you. You can't sit
Because,
down.
really and truly, I don't like sit down thing, look, I'm put them active, so it's when you're in that room,
Mm-hmm.
I kind of want to move. You understand? You don't really want to sit in, you understand? But, I like you still, and I really want to get to know you. So, you can tell me a little about yourself still, Kayla.
Not much I do about them. I am 18.
I just want to know that still, because I'm
Mhm.
good to say you're 18.
Yes, me at 18 now again. Me I do nothing at time. Me no work. I live with my father.
You know where, Kayla?
No, me no work.
Oh, but me can take care of you still. Don't worry about that.
Right.
You see me, you know see big,
Yeah.
look, you know see amount of key when from my waist, baby.
You for a vehicle?
You can't turn there.
A good something that then.
You like it, though? You like his style,
Yeah,
though?
I like his style.
Yeah, me say you like his style, baby. You can't link, man.
Yeah.
For real,
Send on
man.
a phone.
My phone,
Yeah.
baby, a Samsung me deal with. Me not deal with nothing else.
Me no business. Me put in my number.
Alright, see the baby, put in a number.
Right. So you can call me and thing.
For real, man. I like your
Yes,
body, you know.
saving as Kayla. Remember if you call me, you know.
Yeah, man, I'll save you, man. Watch
Yeah.
out, man. I'll show it up a little more. You say nothing here, babes?
Yeah.
Alright.
Oh, remember your rum. Nobody left you.
What the fuck, me even bother want no room. Because me just remember you tell me say your father drink. I don't want to remind you your father. You see me? So what you know?
Alright.
I'm done with the rum drinking.
Alright. So like I want good somebody still. Yeah, be friends first. We can't make my sister nobody's a man, yeah. They go take you.
Now, hope say this phone is set up right, you know, cause I want mama alright with this. But the girl let me know what time and you come and tell him say 2 o'clock. And at 2:07 now. That's all. Most of that say so late. Hello? Me?
Nothing.
I know something there, I just all I set up his phone for you and I get a chip, you know.
Where's phone there?
See phone there. It's set up right now. All my number in there.
Where's phone there?
See phone here.
No want that.
I mean, you don't want it. You don't have nothing.
Me rather do without than do with that. What is that? That never can hold in my hand.
Wally.
No.
Wally phone now?
I don't want it.
If you want a phone, I'm going to get you a phone.
Me don't want a button phone.
I mean, I want a button phone. If me text upon this, I can't text me back. If me call upon this...
Me sure I know your phone bigger than that. Me don't want a button phone. Who you can't get button phone?
So
You're bright.
Alright, me keep this and give my one.
Sure.
That's what I want me do.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, but My phone a charger now, you know.
Go and feed now and carry charger come.
But you go say you're too busy more while now.
Me
You
no
go
want
upon
that
media.
phone there.
You go confused with the media thing.
Then leave me alone. And as a matter of fact, I have to go over now because
Say
me
no.
lie, me tell my father.
Say no
If
lie.
me reach out here, see the rain I go fall.
You can come at my house.
Sir, it's either you buy me a bigger phone or you buy me a Samsung TV or LG.
Boy.
Take it or leave it.
Then you go have to give me some time then.
What you need time for?
Then take the banger phone.
Me
till
no
the
want the
time.
banger.
Alright, use this till me get to the iPhone.
Me rather come meet you right a so every evening. Me no want the banger.
Say we come meet me every evening.
Yes. Me
You
shall look
sure?
out for you, my father.
You promise?
Me not promise nobody
Look for
nothing.
me, I
A
talk
promise
to
is a comfort to a fool.
Look for me, I
Me have
talk
to look for my father.
Your father not come up or so.
They not tell me that. Make me go and look.
Your father really busy at drink rum right now.
No.
I
Me
mean-
I eat breakfast.
They eat breakfast.
See, I want bite you come.
What your father did?
Me know. I'm still have to look out for you.
So you don't like me? Hmm?
Is that the big phone or the TV? And yeah, waste my
May I
time
make you
right
get it?
now.
May I go make you get it?
When?
Alright, may I make you get a TV?
When?
Same time tomorrow.
Me going to me yard.
So you not even want hug?
Me going to me yard. You're broke. You can't help me.
I'm not broke. I just not get paid yet. Boy, girl, I don't want money for this. Girl, I not. Hey. Girl, the taste. Alright. Alright. Oh, no, go. Oh, look nice though. Yeah.
Down. You can't fat low now.
See?
Yeah.
Bring it here, there.
Yeah.
I don't say hello.
Yeah.
So where I come from? You
Shop.
don't mind me.
Shop.
Shop. Yeah, bigger one.
No.
I know you.
Go.
Yeah, bigger one.
Yeah.
Oh. So where you?
Book.
Brick in
Yeah.
you?
Yeah.
Kena. Oh. That's a normal. I'm not going easy. But no good though.
Yeah.
Very good too. So you no do? No do no. Just live.
Yeah. Eat.
Live with no parents.
Yeah.
Oh. So how much?
17.
17.
Yeah.
I think you're 20 again.
This that.
No, not this. No, this
So
side.
I do try to make sister look old.
No, me not say she look old. Me just say she look like that age. You know, me no mean in a no disrespectful way. Understand? You know? Yeah, man. So you have much?
16.
16. I see same thing. You know how old me think you be?
10.
No, I don't think so.
Anyway, you said how old I'm a 7.
Alright, I make you stay with it. I'm not gonna push it further than that. That is alright. So, you don't have a phone?
No.
You don't have a phone?
No.
How come? You don't have a phone? You're 17 and have a phone?
We
You have
have
a
each
phone?
other and that's all we need.
Oh, no. How a phone can go there? How a phone?
Yeah.
Eh?
Yeah.
I hear it sound like you're not interested, man. You're interested or you're not interested?
I'm interested.
I think if you get the phone or you, if you get the phone.
DR.
DR.
I have one device already.
Oh, you have a device?
Yes.
So you're the younger one and have a device and in a
Because
phone.
I perform well in my what do you call it? Last year exams.
Oh,
Yes,
so
we
you're
get
the bright,
straight
you're
A.
the bright one.
Yes. FS2.
Me can't see, can't tell. From the, so you have on the bonnet, you see the woman you see with bonnet and fiery.
Yeah.
No, sir, him just a follow you. Remember, say I use him a follow, you know. He might try to get into it. Can't see that. Anyway, me have a phone I can give you. See it too. You cheaper everything.
How will I get that? Be grateful. Your pa man never buy
So
it.
you don't have a phone and I give you a phone. Me say, you tell me who you give that. You want me keep it?
No. Keep your phone, sir. One way I go, one way I Later.
Take care of her, man. Cause, boy, them a girl nowadays from banger.
This is me. Me I'm going to go to boy my mind. Give me some auntie.
Son?
Yeah.
Me call you now.
Alright.
Alright, take care.
Take us away about things. Never mind, I say I tell him what that to me, hon.
Just give me just take it.
Oh, come a blind. Come on.
I put your yard. Me got me the boy over the table. But no, that me ask him say, oh, you come out of the yard.
Me tell Daddy say drop done.
Who drop done?
You. So when me a carry back road, me a go lift you up. I am.
Where you come from? Where you come from?
Just up like you did.
No, you say me do that for me. That me hate you like I say you hate me. But as me I say now, where you come from?
Me got me the little dirty boy when me tell you about. The little black, dirty, ugly boy. We say me go buy me phone.
Take time with the boy. Whatever I want you. Where boy
She
name?
know me want class him.
So I do.
Say me go buy.
Your phone is say you get there. Come say for iPhone.
iPhone. If I did one even Samsung with this, but that's too bad. And then BlackBerry if I did one with this, so bad.
So where you get?
Nokia.
So you could have take it said we.
What me a take Nokia for do?
You could have still call the boy. She
No.
was a test the boy that test you. If you say if you're a good girl.
Well, the test fail. No test with the Nokia. Nokia stop where?
And we have to think you take it since you know one thing.
Yeah, I'm tell him say.
You just short up and say, you know. Oh, how can I pass me to? What's she again? Rum. Rum again. Rum.
So him.
I'm a man, me meet him today.
The father rummed and the daughter take up a rummed.
He not drink rum like
What
that.
can go so?
Trying to stop drinking rum, you know, but
No,
every
sister,
time I
man.
think, boy, baby, me can't stop drinking rum. I believe in
Oh,
them.
me make it a drink the rum.
Every time I remember a pretty face, I remember so me can't.
One thing, me I beg you do, just not drink for junk like me for me become like me for that. Oh,
Nothing like
Yeah,
that.
the funny.
me no know a thing key them. Am I thing? We got vehicles, we got things, we got bikes. What your man that?
Me no man.
What the boy here where get Nokia?
Me say one piece of man when me sip on the road. I never my man.
Well, this is my man.
The father rummed.
You know watch
The
that?
daughter take up a rummed.
You know watch that? Me will fix the roommate problem. Me can't go to church. Me will fix the roommate problem here. Bright.
Right,
But anyways, that's where I go now. Me
say.
come grown enough.
You know, so for me, I go lay down.
Alright, but call me. Remember if you call me, no call me, no call me.
Like always, baby, now short up.
Alright. Come on.
Remember if you act like you drop them. Come,
Yes.
come.
Are you here?
Don't like you think so reaching before daddy, you can't You thinking that Daniela?
But I'm not really busy for reaching before somebody asking to left out of the yard. Are you for glad you're reaching?
Too selfish, man.
It's not selfishness. You must not like me.
I know me boring.
I'm boring too. Tell me that hurt me. Hungry too.
Oh Lord.
Oh, I'm here, daddy.
So me ask you a question now. Me not talk about you, because you asked me if you left the yard. I'm giving you a freedom. Right. You young miss over there, so because you feel that you are the bigger one. You have to do anything as you right. You might 18 and all, but if you want to honor this a roof, you're still a child. You see, once you honor this a roof, you're still a child. Where you go? You tell me your sister drop down. You didn't drop down?
No. Oh. You see, we on my head. Did it happen? Me say, daddy, me get one big drop. I saw me just spread out so.
Me I tell you.
Me did drop off it too, but I probably me lick my head, make me no remember say me did drop down. I just talk about
So,
it.
oh, you say you call him, say you drop down.
I
Me not
never
call
see you
him.
call me. Me tell you say somebody call me.
Never call her.
Yo, me don't want to ramp in there.
Me not tell her that, me not tell her lie, but you ever tell her lie?
Then say, girl kicking enough can man name. I me believe them. So me no want to carry down no shame in upon me.
Man, I can't shame for you, daddy. Me say me drop down. You don't even run come. I see me see the first second as you may expect to run come. But make a deal rum sharp your friend them call up figure. And that fly reach out the road.
I don't believe it, you know.
Oh. So say if I dead, me that dead. Can you believe it?
You're still alive, you're not dead.
But no, if me did jump out the road and can't let me, she tell her say, can't let me, you need no run come, case you do not believe her, say you need no run come, with a dead.
Look how much prank people are running in Jamaica. Look how much prank.
Prank?
And you want prank to catch me?
What prank no get you with me dead? Me drop they don't even run come and feel away.
When the dead, more rum and more space in my
Tell
house.
her this, when me dead and me come in my spirit farm, I box on you.
You would have really boxed on your
See,
father.
I can't let me back.
And that's she your love.
You don't get to let me back. I'm in a spirit farm.
How many house under your name?
Under my name.
So me just don't know that.
And me just know it too. Me just know it.
So you
not even know me age. Let me start on you.
Yeah, who
She 18 minutes. You don't even know me age. You don't even me age you don't know.
Say nonsense.
Sorry.
You nonsense.
Look how rum get to me. I say go. We not really study this film here because it's a film mama this what film mama do me.
What I mean, I can know you could have done father.
Oh you know.
Me so come out for your place now.
Oh you make me know say me could have done father.
Without me, you could have done father.
I mean make your mama have you know. You know this is the only one your mama have.
How you know that?
Because your mama couldn't get none, your mama did have 10 man before me. And me go there with my little yam self.
Maybe the 10 man they never did have strike good.
Ah, Tio. No, you understand me. Shouldn't they hold my argument here with you? Because you're my pitney. You know no manners. Anyway, you wash your plate. You cook. I don't make clothes in Eric.
No.
You know much you pack a clothes in a shop. You know how much
you want pack a clothespin? Me can't more than buy a pack of clothespin.
where you get money from? You work?
You know where about that?
I'm not thief, you're a thief.
No thief, you know where about that one day. You left that one day to whosoever.
Oh, you find man.
You know where about that
You-
neither.
You're turn 18 now, so you feel like you're
But that if me eat my friend and man, they can't do nothing about that because I'm here reach the age of consent.
Look at my
I'm
I'm
18. If I feel like I want to have a man, I can have a man. Reach the age of consent, you don't understand?
Alright. If you feel like you can have a man, make sure you say the man can put you up and me pack you up.
Of course, he can come put me up. After I'm not idiot, I'm not no broke pocket boy. My mother never no sense when you pick up you, Ramed. Me not pick up no Ramed, no mad somebody. You have to have wall house. Not even walk foot, me not pick up.
The wall house where you see your mama in a film your house and me Billy. You know why?
And we're in a board house.
You know why me give her it?
Why?
Because me know say if Judge say we share half and half, so me make sure say, cause she live with me for 4 years. They go 5 years, 6 years. Judge say cut in a half. But Judge I eat that because I know how me if you cut my house in a half, concrete house.
In a half.
When I tell me they always have in a for me half.
In a concrete house?
Yeah.
They say you're fool.
But they always
Or you go rest out in a concrete house with bed and something there.
No,
But you don't say no sense that neither daddy. Whenever give her the board broke down house. Where your family where your father dead left give you. You come to the old broke down house. Or so are you fool?
I watch she can go courthouse final the house.
You're gonna fight more strong until you say you have the two picking them. And you
Never
not
say not have
work.
much money. You have to have money for fight.
I see you mama take away my money.
I don't mind for your mother.
For you mama take away my money. Go and give man but him a bill up man and man go and left him on plane. Eh? You know see where she reach now?
Where she there?
Huh?
Where she there?
She dey down so I sell sweetie on the roadside.
Oh.
I told me not
So
to
my
go
mother
town.
there.
See your mama. Make it on.
Then I bridge.
Yeah, bride. My mother there, bridge.
You chat too much.
A bridge, my mother there?
Make it rest. But alright, we good.
A bridge, your mother there to tell sweetie. I true that you don't want to say it in the language.
Man, I wonder don't even know that so sweet, but you're in the bridge or something. You know?
Chat to me, girl. Don't chat to me.
That's
Yeah.
Kayla,
Yes, daddy.
come here, come here.
So what happened?
Me I look on the road. Me I got my regular spot to have a drink. Any emerge,
Do you know the slide?
Where is it?
Yeah, just like that to their big Sunday.
So what wrong with it?
You have to go now every time you here and cook food.
Me if you cook?
Yes.
When me ask you a question, me no mind you from you young until you're big. So me if you cook same way?
Daddy, and if you cook food to their big Sunday, if you cook rice and peas, you will eat it.
You have your sister, you make your sister cook. If you don't know how to cook, you make your sister cook.
Listen to me, Daddy. I'm a sister, but Daddy, me not trust her. You feel surprising me. What's she not like me? You know, so I let she tell probably not beat me. Did you know? No.
Sometimes you deserve somebody beaten.
No deserve no beating. Call her tell her so she can cook food.
Shanice! When there?
Me don't know she knows more chicken foot soup.
Chicken foot? Yeah man, chicken foot. Good. Take out the chicken neck them out of the fridge, yeah?
Chicken foot, Daddy. Chicken foot. Foot. Not neck. Foot. Chicken foot soup.
Hello. Me I do like the foreigners them.
Oh,
Me
no,
I
no,
the
no.
foot.
I'm not call me, I'm not talk no man, I'm busy now. None of your business.
You said to tell about
I don't mean to talk to you, talk to.
Are you in my chat?
Are you me a talk to?
Good. Can't chat to me, sir. Anyway, I am going on the road to have a drink. Make sure you say on cook the soup.
Which soup?
Chicken foot soup.
No chicken foot, no day here.
Chicken neck soup.
You can't buy one little chicken foot.
For what?
For me.
Me not eat chicken
So what
foot.
go there in the chicken neck soup? So the chicken neck and water?
Just throw it on the fire and throw some salt in it. And the boil. You roll up to a titty dumpling.
No
and
dumpling,
drop
the flour, no day here.
Well, look, you only have just a banana, you dash in it, that's all.
Banana and chicken neck and water?
No worry about that, Daddy. You can live here.
We are go.
No, go down the road too.
You want to go on now? You can't hurry up, go on where you are, go and come back. Right?
Yeah.
But you turn your and boil the soup.
You know me not boil it? Me not boil it.
If I ever come back here and that soup water and I put on, I mean, smell you out there so under me rub.
You can smell sauce and water, no cat noodle no day here.
No, look, me I go in. So get ready to go and drink.
Me tell you to throw
You
sauce
see
in there.
anytime he come here with belly, and you and him one go Tanya.
Come
Me
here.
not boil nothing.
Come here with this belly. No call no belly for me picnic.
If I go get belly, cause man him I go look for.
When your mother did tell you come put it down in that chimney right
It
there,
was a chimney,
I did what?
baby bath.
I still chimney.
I know
Cause
chimney.
me did piss in there after.
Because you're nasty. That's why you're pissing there because you're nasty.
So piss in the bucket, me nasty. Eh?
Me want good on the road. Me want good on the road too. Me a older one. Me want go on road too.
All right, Shanice Henry. Put your foot through the gate when me gone.
I know that when me put my foot through the gate, me want to see if you go put it back in.
Can you have me not there, yeah?
Yeah.
Go on for the road and come back, but don't spend. Not spend 3 hours.
Aye.
Because we'll be back here in 2.5 hours.
So me can get 4 hours.
Let me ask you a question. I breed the one breed come in a
I
family.
am go breed and come in and pan you. Yesterday, when me yesterday. Sometime ago, me can't tell you how when me they go on the road, one man turn up and ask me which part my sister did. Me tell you, say me see me don't know which part should I see me I look for. When I reach over the bamboo tree, I want another man that turn up and wait for him.
I lie. I feel your man them. I feel your man them.
Feel man them,
Feel
maybe
your
you
man
know.
them. Feel
Check
man
your
them.
phone.
Liar.
Remember no?
Sit ya.
I don't have a
No,
cellular.
no man. Check in there. Look in there. No man, not did there. Let she tell.
Who's the burger man?
Who?
Burger man and pizza man.
Let me show you how she
I
hide
delivery,
them.
I
Let me show you which part she hide them.
Come find near me phone, no girl.
See there? Love
No,
of my
man.
life.
Are you that daddy? Are you know
Best
that?
on. It's not your
Hold
number.
on, because me no look like me send this a message there. Wait there.
Come meet me 5 o'clock. You see? Under the bamboo tree. Anytime she can't belly
Hold
pan
on.
you in
Check
here.
them out now.
Daddy, I lie. Give me the phone, daddy.
Me like how you put me on that position there. You make me feel like my belly did a split in a two. Girl!
You see?
How we are
Who
up
go
with?
carry in the belly pan you now?
Come here!
See Islam doing your face, you soon can't control him.
What?
Where you let me for?
What?
I'm even like you know about me.
What?
You can't move.
What?
I'm even going in here like you do upon me. You lock me up.
Your belly splitting at two?
Yeah, behave like a baby belly split.
Not
Tell
the
us
woman
if you're feeling
never
belly
tell me
split.
this. Eh?
Maybe your name work good.
What you say to your father? What you say to your father? Run in, hold the phone.
No, I want no phone. Go that is the way.
I say hold the phone. Here, hold on.
Oh, yeah, the right person.
Yeah, go on here.
Oh, we are with my sister.
No, from morning to see her, I can't see her now. What she doing?
You are still there?
I mean, man, I'm only that man.
Your honey?
Yeah, one.
Oh. Now you learn she tell it. You don't know.
I that she tell me still, but I think so.
So you did that last night?
I said me there one party last night up on the beach.
Daddy catch her with 2 man last night, but me think one of them I did you.
Oh, why
So
you
I
not,
just said, me and ask her where you did it last night.
what you not saying to me? You can't believe that. I lie that too.
Can I change man like cow dog change woman?
God no.
I can't even know. Last night daddy come in and catch her with 2 man.
So
And
yeah.
me asleep.
Hmm.
So I when the ruffling start and the boom boom, at that time then me wake up and realize.
What the girl tell me say me alone she have. I cheat on me. God no. So what you suggest now?
You cheat back on her.
With who?
No, some more.
Stop it, girl. Stop it. Hey, sister.
So, she not have know.
So, how we do this now?
Hey, just give me a number, I take my number.
Alright, I'll give you my number. Number 377 17 18.
Alright, me call you.
Show me up.
Yeah, alright. And don't tell her, you know.
I'm mad. Good skin.
How you go?
Never look for me, man, girl.
Come here. Which man?
Jordan, Sparks, what which man? One man me have.
Me never to them, me. As me they say, me just pass him down the road.
And me, my weird fan.
No, we 2 browning. One of them body up so. And the other one like she breathing.
And I tell Jordan I got with nobody. Me not believe you, know? Me not believe you. Me not believe you. Me not believe you. Jordan have no money. Me alone Jordan have. Me alone, you know, so Jordan don't know.
I realize that me a sneeze.
Can you tell lie?
Me no lie on Sunday.
You sure say Jordan yesterday on the road? You sure say Jordan yesterday on the road?
Yes, him him have more height than me and him maga.
You sure say my man Jordan yesterday on the road?
Me see Jordan, but he no look like your man. He look like for them man.
Me a go on the road then.
No, come here, me walk go first.
No, girl.
Girl, come here, no make me walk up.
No,
me have story if you tell you,
You have
girl.
to defend me, man. Watch ya. What's a girl that?
Me
Me a
have
go on
story
there.
if you tell you. Look next.
Girl. How you make? I'm what you do. You don't do nothing to say me your sister.
No, girl.
Yo, I pray. The day I'm there. I know say I want to get me there away from, but if I win me turn up here and me can't see him come. Cause me get to find out say him father catch him with 2 man, you see me? About 5 hours me turn up here so far. Big man level. Matter of fact, me even away from her, man. You know me I go do, me I go walk down on the road have a dream. Yeah, man. Alright, no say nothing still, isn't it?
Alright, if you have flowers, I grow good, you. Let me cut off piece we grow in my yard.
What about the black tree?
Them not share this.
Oh,
yeah, they are so.
I say flowers nice. I do not see people in
Oh,
flowers.
yeah, they are so.
Eh?
Yeah, they are so.
Anyway?
You can't ask me that.
The boy, me tell
I
you
want a
something.
business.
Promise me the 4 and give me banger.
Oh, so you're growing and tell people say me promise a phone and I give a banger.
Yes, because that is big
So,
disrespect.
banger is a what?
Banger.
Banger is a what?
No want phone.
Okay.
You say my girl phone never tell her what kind of phone.
Okay.
Say my girl phone.
Just sit my stomach, come on.
How? How may I sick your stomach?
Banger can use.
I mean,
So
What
give me
can
touch
use
screen.
though?
give
They
my
told you
touch
that.
screen. No, my touch screen have to go on social media too.
Oh.
So me can't give my. What me go up to social
Me
media?
no know. Me on social media too. Me have
You're
phone.
depend it too.
Yeah, me also have phone.
Okay. You see that me I talk about, but she she can't give me some time for me get one proper phone
That's
for
what
her.
you ask for, because I told you they now a relationship as in this moment. Yes or no?
No, me single.
So, oh, you're the man there, but you want the man buy your phone. Yeah, idiot.
I him
No,
tell
no,
me
you
my
got
buy
them
me
mad.
phone, me never ask.
So you buy me
You're
banger
too
for?
enough.
It's not enough, miss. You try to tell people and wipe me for phone.
Me I give her a banger so she get
Go.
for used to me and know me. So
I
me say,
him
alright, me
offer
can
me the phone,
upgrade
me never
her.
beg him the phone.
So if
Hello.
you offer your phone and give a banger, take the banger.
Me don't
Suppose
want
I
the
test it, I
banger.
test it. Suppose I test
Your
it,
friend
my
have
dad.
more
Test
sense
pain.
than you.
I know
Your
my friend and my sister.
Yes.
Yes, me come mad at it in a sense.
Me older than you,
I'm
me
saying my
love.
big. Right, you know that me your phone.
Let me stay full.
You get a banger, take your banger. So see
Me
banger.
don't want a banger. Fuck me, I do bang.
Is
Me
it
don't want a
that
banger.
sense? Is it
No
that
sense.
sense?
Come on, man. Let me go up. You
That man
understand?
go work with. You know, say that
He
man
need
go
to
work
have
with
money
her.
to buy a proper slippers. Oh, my buy me phone. Come on.
Is it that sense?
She mad. You sure you related to her?
Me related to her. I mean, not say she not have no sense, but different mother, but same father. He not have no sense.
And you get your mother mad.
Yes, he mother left him in a chimney, and my father do a step. That's I'm fool.
You have to go climb a church.
Who? Me have time for that. Right now, I go up, me they can't go up, you know. So you're alright. You don't buy her no phone. She don't want you. No phone. She want to buy her nothing.
Okay.
Let's see, apparently walk
Me
past
glad
her.
you tell me.
Yeah, who that
Thanks.
she taking for?
Can't go about my business in a car. Sister.
Say!
Um,
Not me good.
yeah, that's some come out and come all I see.
Oh,
One magazine was one.
I want me to work a look for me 1 foot man.
Yeah, 1 foot man.
No, I'm just calling 1 foot man because he give me bone, but me still have to hear team side of the story. You can't hear one side of the story, I don't know your team side. You understand? Yes. She said he might give me bone with 2 girls. One like him a breed, one with body up so. No, must my sister, who could have tell me such information? Yes, she, and we can't look for a chair, so.
I see no like me for me, I give him banger.
Oh,
You can't take him.
I've been there with Jordan already.
Remember, Jordan, I give money.
So,
Oh, me feel that try talk to you, you know, you want me to
exactly.
talk to
Is
your
it
sister.
she not right it? Is it she not right it? She don't right that.
That's just your sister.
She right to that.
That's just him.
Who she?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I'm not just. I'm telling you.
Stay here, so with him.
She don't like me.
So where you go?
Me I go down the road. Me soon come back.
So you don't want to talk to me?
No, she talk to you, no see.
Are you want to talk to
Me soon come back.
Where you go?
No.
It don't take long.
No. I'll be back.
Alright. Where your sister stay, so?
I'm not know. Not sure she stay. She just love money. You have to have money to get time. I tell this. I say, if I want Trish, but she have money. So I say they gonna use money and fool her.
Yeah, me have money, you know, just take time.
Hey, amen,
Father, you know.
amen,
I'm a pa.
amen.
Our dear daddy.
I never see a lane without tunnel, whether gutter or sink
So
or...
tunnel is a place to cover up. You have to not cover up, father.
Shut him out when I'm talking to my daughter.
Like, oh, your daughter attack me. What's your daughter?
Where you have to parole with man? So you did have man all along.
Daddy.
Hi, hey, before you jump to conclusion. I know my woman this father.
A Trish, man. Even if me a banana, my man this.
Chinese man.
Yes, Chinese man. Sorry, me just love calling her by her pet name. But a Chinese man.
And Chinese have me a buy food over there. A man in time I have man. I don't make a man buy ghost to put them over there.
Listen.
So that I said I want to sell to the streets.
Sure.
Yeah,
When I'm 19, the time when I'm red for
no,
free.
the two of we are 19. She was 19 and me are 18. Get it right. Get it straight.
Am I ready for free?
No, we.
No, listen to me. You see if you're there with my daughter?
You blind?
I'm not talking to something.
Exactly. You really have no sense. I'm telling you, my junk head.
Did you drink? I think yeah, they red.
Kayla, Are your father you are called Rumhead
You wanna
and
kick from
Drunkhead and no
Where
sense?
you come from now? Where you dey come from now?
Rumbar.
Exactly. So you what?
And that's a think around
Rum
some
head.
No, Barred.
If well Barry
Barred
dead.
head.
If him no
Barred
drink
head.
rum, him no
I
feel
still
nice.
rum with that, brother.
Yo, shut your mouth when me I chat to my
You see,
daughter. How him?
Yeah, they say a Chinese man.
Okay,
I'm a
miss.
brother-in-law. My brother-in-law.
Your brother-in-law, not my son-in-law, because first thing any man with can provide food at that yard, no welcome to the family.
God, I don't even know where you are there to provide food. There, so
Shanice a use him, man. Tell him how Shanice.
Yeah, me say me I help her out, give her a phone.
Daddy, not me,
Yes,
man. Me
me.
a good on the road, go look for Shanice.
All right.
Tell him how.
Yeah.
Shanice a
Where you
do.
see now?
Me see her, you know, I say me like her and thing, you know. So me ask her if she have a phone.
Yeah.
She said she not have that.
So,
Me say a big girl like you don't have a phone, how that?
well, she don't have no money, so you expect better.
And me tell her, so me I go buy her one.
You're a good boy then.
So when me buy her the phone and tell her to meet me at so etc. time, she come and then me and her the boy, she said she don't want this phone.
What kind of phone?
Banger.
Look at me. And that's why some of women get born. He should have boxing in your face with that. You can look for my nice hot daughter. My nice short look up plummy tree when me grew up. When mother come put on in a chimney and me doorway. And I look for the mother give him bang and we so out and he can't even pick up a certain place.
But what's your father?
You can't give my daughter
She never have none. She never have nothing.
That's why I never buy my banger. Because I don't got the money to buy a button phone. So I mean, no button phone. What you call it?
A touch screen.
A touch screen.
She want it on social media.
Right. So,
But
no.
when she go on this, you gonna have less attention for me now.
Are you wrong? You shouldn't offer my phone.
And that, me never tell her what kind of phone.
Let me teach you something. You can close a woman, but you can't feed a woman. Yeah. Learn this today. Don't try to feed a woman or buy phone. You better you close her. Give him as much clothes. He can mash them up.
Wig, lash and anything there.
No, buy wig where you know they can done like lace wig. Oh. When you buy that one time, you can color it to different color.
Sewing one day time long to sewing here.
But never you ever take up your money. Say you buy phone all the while get woman and you buy touchscreen.
I'm letting you know say such a thing. She look humble and calm and why when he see the banger. You like you want to tear me head off.
So you think no woman could have buy me a banger? When I done stone him all the button couldn't press
on him. You would imagine you have a phone and you get a phone. You can get calls, give call, get
you can ask you a question before me left so. You would have used a banger?
No, you know, because I can buy myself.
Good.
I can buy myself.
Keep it to yourself and take you to the banger where they don't give me data. Take you by yourself a bike.
Banger. I can't buy a bike. Okay, someone I get things sent from man.
There, man. Oh, well. Look, they are going easier. Think about everything and nobody thing. Tell her.
So you tell me that's for?
You just have to think about it.
No, I hear.
Alright, let me there with you. I have to pay attention to her.
Yeah. Of course you have to pay attention to me. You could be there with me and pay attention to she. So she were.
Alright, baby, you know, say you are my queen. Man, you need to care about that girl that ain't called Kayla, man. Right now, you may pay attention to. I'm gonna tell her, say, yo, we're saying we done with two man, you come go and tell me what they right now, me will feel good for.
Enough for Kayla. I'm telling you about Kayla right now. Me and you talk around one good time now. I'm not on the phone. I'm tired for you wait till sun out. And I have to look up in the sun to see when I 12 o'clock to come meet you. So you can't buy my phone.
I'm a simple thing that, man. I'm here by morning, I get that, man. You don't know, say, your life of a dream, man. A chopper.
Then I really want to tell me say Kayla did have chopper all along. And I run up and down with them waist man. They were just frightened for football.
Glad you know. Right now, swell more and swell a belly.
We are talking about soul belly. What that mean?
Me more fat up a belly, more and gear you.
Give me a what? You come like a my father, you want to put me out for me head top.
Baby, a mansion me having a hilltop.
Maybe me a busy boy, you and your mansion right now.
You mean a mansion me have on hilltop, girl? You mean by say, boy, father put you out? Hey, talk about, girl.
Me busy boy, you and your mansion. Me ready for that right now.
You can go and talk.
Man.
You don't know where them is.
Me not miss nothing. Let's go there look up your first.
Let's go and make you run.
Okay, that's fine. Then we are top for. If you're not mix up, we are top for.
No. Do you have a friend there?
No, you talk, man.
Oh. Where you there so with the sister man I do?
It's not my sister man anymore.
Where you chat about? No way there I see two of them a link.
Then no day again.
I'm from a new girlfriend.
Oh, nice to meet you. Well, me no business, yeah? All that blood and must know. Later.
So she mix up and time. She couldn't even just walk past. She have to stop. Oh man.
Tell about them. I tell them explain.
The soak over here.
Alright.
Kenna.
Me nothing. What? Me see I'm blind, me hear I'm dead.
Alright.
Tata.
Later.
Enjoy.
I had look run good on this song.
So, how way you did run my girl asking about?
No, ask me she Kayla.
So you ask her about Kayla?
Cause I'm a sister.
Is there something?
My ask her she see my sister. Me not fi ask.
Oh, make sure.
Yeah, the sun not step my foot.
Yeah.
Oh, God, what I'm for. Now look, see, me say, when me say, me have to go and tell you. What happened? Me say, give me a momentum. Me say, me did on a beach.
Hurry up.
And drink me little juice and I eat me little chips in peace. When me look, I hear sister that Mrs. Skin off in teeth with your man.
Which one?
The fear one.
It's never Jordan.
A Jordan.
No.
You see a man when me did see a linky time and me ask her who him be. Me say when me look me see him and I say bombat. Then my friend man me say.
I lie
And me go to war. A man say.
You're not say good. I
You
could
there?
never my Jordan spark.
Me go to
on the
war.
road.
Listen up, me go to war. And when me ask them, a man say, no, me and your sister left and him boyfriend a deny you. Yeah? In a one you up and who you there one him up.
No worries.
And you see, anytime we did that, me ask your sister and so sister said no, them left and how you who are and you this and you that. And I say, oh,
So
and then me
news
step
for me?
off. Yes.
Girl, you know long me no see Jordan. You see me they walk a look for. Cause me call him and I get him. Right now I don't push back down the
Let me
lane.
finish my story. Then they dump on the beach down under one big tree. And you see where
Walk
whole
on
tree
top.
set, it's impossible to see them from back way. And you see when me walk off, a girl come to me and I go say, if me see no, me tell her no. And he say, him at all, like him ask me if me I go chat back or no. So me tell her, say no, me see I'm blind and me here and there. But you see, cause you have a good friend, me come here and tell you.
I don't let me go search by your sister. Me see with your sister. Where's your sister? There?
No, she there yard.
Oh, well, I don't let me go now.
Yes, hurry up
Bust
before
up
them
our
top.
face, too bright,
Yes,
people
hurry
man,
up.
too much. Can't you tell me?
You're welcome, me gone.
Baby, me I tell her say, tick on your sister and a girl, me I kill her and a girl.
Oh, it cause me not good food. That's such a
Let me
long
get you. Where do I with my man?
No.
What you do over here so with my man? So my friend there, right? Where do I so with my man? Eh? Where do I with my man? What you do over with my man? All the marriage over here, so me and your sister, where do I with my man, girl? Eh? Where do I with my man? What you do over with my man? You can't find a man for yourself. What up the tray? Eh? Sorry, show you what?
Kayla.
That take people, man. See me, man, I left the man alone. So, mommy. Even. I
Even.
feel if I all the way down this and come up here stuff. Me like when they down this stuff. Yeah, come so far, I got to see.
And I'm glad me not glad to see you. At the attitude where you have.
Mr. Even.
Me hear when I say evening and I did answer and I said good evening, but listen to me. Me know why you dey talk to me so, because you see trying to me grow with your father and you dey disrespect him up the butt. Me know. Not because you're 18. Me know about everything we are going on, but make it under so. Not because you're 18-year-old.
But that is the old part, mommy.
Yes, when you hear me talk, you shut your dirty mouth, because me different from your father. Me head mad, your father head good. Where you come about? You always a con stay. Yeah, you can spend holiday all the while, but what is the problem this time? If I have one time in your life, little girl talk it truth, what your problem? A holiday you come for?
Yes, mommy. No, mommy. Maybe so, mommy. Me no know, mommy. But me no, mommy. I can't daddy know want me go out. Me not 18 and he know want me go out.
So,
When me come in after 12, he must say me I come in after 3.
so you want to tell me say your father no time.
No,
You
mommy.
come in after 12 and he say after 3.
Yes, mommy.
So if you believe you and
me
disbelieve you when me talk, don't talk, shut up. So when your father say you come in after 3 and after 3 you come in, is after 12 or 12. Which one? I know which one you know. Which one? So you take your father for idiot. So you feel say true me and your father no depend the same line, cause me and him no plan peas in the same line, you know, but you see when he come on to pick me know he stay, you two lie. If your father say at 3 o'clock you come in or after 3 or after 4, me believe him. Because your feel say true you're 18. You can do as you like. And you know, feel like I say, the 2 years them we God give you, you fi use them and listen no more. Because you think say you're on your own, but me go tell you something. You're on your own when you're underneath your roof.
Listen, if you tapping nice, that's me tapping nice. Me dey ask it.
Just listen to me and say and shut up. You're on your own when you're under your own roof. You're not even listening to your stepmother. What is your problem?
Step us up me a walk one, mommy, remember?
You're full of chat. No wonder why your father called on my phone. I mean, don't want him call me phone, you know, because he might disturb me all much o'clock in the night when you no come home.
Black him then.
You know, me know say I lie you a tell. Me make your father video in your room and the whole house. You're neither the outside, can you add full of light. And he always turn on he like them.
Sleep over there, this time I could have.
Boy, he video in the whole house, you know, in your room, and you go tell me, say, when me look on the time on my phone after 3:52, you go tell me, say, I lie, your father, they tell little girl, it's holiday, you come for that, you tell me.
Camera on your house, you can't check them.
Stop tell lie. Me see footage already. Stop tell lie. You hear me? Stop tell lie. Me no want no holiday you come about. You come fi stay, but the way you lie, you can't stand up as a big, mature 18-year-old girl and say, Mommy, me do this and me do that, and me wrong, and my father vex about it. Me sorry, me know me never apologize, but he vex and send me away. Me come fi stay with you. No, you can't. Now give you time to talk. Cause it come like I say, you can't wait till me done talk. You have to join the conversation while me talking, which that wrong. I say you grow up there. Oh, so a good way that when people talk, you talk. So you don't have no manners. Don't shake your head for me. Open up your mouth and talk. No, me the question you're not saying anything. When me they talk, you they talk. When no me they ask you something, you zip. What your problem? What the problem with you and your father and your stepmother and the rest of people them in the...
So they bring you man, me come out, come here, you better rock around. Yes, ma'am.
You're in your own room and you listen for your stepmother.
No, God give me ears for a reason. I'm tell you step as in your walk.
God give everybody ears to hear. You they listen when you're not to listen.
Me I hate
No
you.
wonder why your father catch you outside and underneath the tree the night with this big old ugly looking black boy. He send the picture on me
No.
phone. Are you?
He
So me
text
have
me
me
and
pick me
say
to you no know.
he text me and say want try helicopter.
What? Who text you and tell you that? Your
The
fa-
big ugly black boy.
Oh.
Yes,
So
mommy.
how the big yeah, you see you think on little girl pick me easy? So how the big ugly boy where the class have your number if he text you and tell you about where that helicopter landing, doggy this, wheelbarrow
Me
that.
not reach a dog style yet. Me have to go. Me
Well,
leave
hey, remember say your mother you talk to. Careful. Be careful of where they do with that little mouth ya. I'm a nice. How he get your number? How that boy get your number? And what kind of crosses them there they kind of family? Look how you're nice looking. Every minute. No, you don't know if you talk you're dumb.
I like daddy that too.
Oi,
I
me
make
not in
me
the and the and the he with you. You go talk to me like a one little 18-year-old we have sense.
Alright, mommy, I see the boy, I like the boy. And he say he want to try helicopter, so me did the out there try.
So you're not about the virgin again? No answer me so. You not understand. I say you broke bad. Eh?
Daddy me
Where
get
upon?
it from?
Daddy you get it from? Well broke it out. Down here so. It different from up there so. It's two different places and different type of people and we talk different way. Uno depend picking me.
So you have man?
Look here, that is my personal business. Me a big woman.
Daughter.
Yes, you're my daughter, but another way there you ask me question.
Alright, mommy, do I have a... No, step aside here, what happened? You have man? No, mommy. Do you make it time, mommy?
Me fi answer you?
No, mommy.
Me not depend that now. That's my
Okay,
personal life story. And me is not size. And not true you not grow with me, you know. No matter feel say me afraid fi take piece of take and whap up your backside, you know. Me not in
I
it
am
with you
so
today, you know.
sorry, mommy.
Anyway, you don't come ask what about round here so why what? Why me live round here so? Why me never war? Where you say about round here so and down
Why
there so?
you move come so far? Down there so did better.
Hey. Okay, you see down there so a problem. Problem down there so but you see if you
can
come
take it
down
back
with
from
some
me,
good money,
I am so tired.
give me.
God bless you. I mean, answer question them now. What you say?
You see, if you know, say you come down with some good money, cause you act like you did a work and you never did work. You come
Money?
down with some nice money, if you help parent down there so, we move from around
That's
here
one
so,
reason why
and go
daddy
down
run
there
me
so.
down too. I me did thief out to my money. He need to give me no nice money. He take the money and give step.
So you
Step
not
on
expect say,
stairs.
at your age, you don't know say you take a look at work. Why you
Work?
thief out your father money? You don't know say
Time
work
I
if you
take the
look.
money, give step on stairs. Why me fi take it when me fi
Everything you take
work?
for you. Come. Come and show you, Sean. Come, run your family. Come. Come, I can't bother with you no more.
Mommy, may I come up on the road? Catch the cool breeze first.
As you come,
Yeah. Me just tell them.
what is your problem?
Problem? Go look
You want
some
me
food for
just
me.
send you back straight to the bus park and you just go straight up back up at your father? I know nothing. I told you that one. Because you just come in here and then you're ready
All
to
the
go
place
outside.
you send me from the roadside, cause me nah go back up and down that don't want me back up there.
Me nah
And if
send-
nothing from the roadside, you police are come
Me
to. So
not
make
stand
up
up
your
on the
mind.
roadside. Me just make up my mind. You make up your mind and me tell you, say, me and your father is not the same thing. Be careful you talk to me under this. Your father might live in a mansion, big wall house and everything. Me thank God for the little piece of kata kuchu way over my head. You understand?
Thank
You
you,
see little
God,
piece of
for
kata kuchu way over my head?
Kata
Nobody
kuchu?
come talk to me so hard tonight because you don't know how hard me work to get this. Or you could have even 50-year-old me shot you one left hand. Don't do it. Me
Use
just
the
simply
right
ask you one
hand.
question. You just come and you're ready for leave already. What is the
Mommy, me
problem?
a big woman. Just make me go on now.
Then like you a big woman, you not go on to your man. Me a no big woman nah stay underneath the
That's why
same
me take up
roof.
on...
Me a no big woman nah stay underneath the same roof. Me say fi careful how you talk to me youth.
Me not tell you Tappy and baby say, warm to you. Mommy, I'm sorry. Can put back my bag over
Cause
here,
you take,
please?
you know what me realize? You take everything for joke. But me and all I mother them is not the same woman.
God.
Cause me head no good.
Help me. Mommy, me just say me dey go
So
back.
if you plan fi come stay, although you tell me lie about no damn blasted holiday, and me know say you come
Me
fi
nah
stay
go
forever.
school, I know
And a
holiday.
matter of fact, look here. You know what? Me not go follow up what you say. Listen, me know you come fi stay forever. But you say you catch up with your father, big old 18-year-old tough skin girl. They go on like I say, you want to live for your father and tell him about your thief your father money.
Mommy.
You go come down here so come work.
Come here.
You go come work and I go catch up in us upon this.
Mommy, come here now.
Cause you're full of too much talking and you don't like work.
No, let me
For a long time when I did used to come down here upon holiday and you not to replay them and then you used to watch and so you go
I
again.
meet out of them.
Me
See
know.
me and
Me know, big up
I'm
yourself.
not tough.
You know what? Yeah, go on.
Okay.
You say what? Go on and road, go on.
Yes. And make sure you cook when me come back.
Yeah, man. And if you don't cook it, beat me, my mother.
Beat you?
Yeah.
Me no know.
My mother beat me.
Yeah.
My mother, if me don't cook when you come back, bust me ass. Bright, big old 18-year-old tough skin girl like you, me fi come cook together. Never name go name shit.
Yes, so as I say, you have to focus and find work. Cause you now follow me a daytime go work, but yet you want to eat down the place. Yam down the place.
Good evening. What is the time, sir?
The time, you know it's at evening, so you don't know the time. Me not no phone for me enough to tell the time.
2:32.
Oh, 2:32.
Oh. You say I hospital man me go stay and like.
And what about me? Serious?
Me not smile.
You like me?
Yeah.
For money, I just like me.
You don't look like you have money, but me like you.
I have money. You know, so my son look good.
You
Me
don't look
have
like you
money.
have though. But we still like you. For sure, somebody didn't like it.
Oh, that's it. That's if you get yourself them nice girl. You see, nice woman. But anyway, take my number.
Me not carry my phone, never.
And
Alright, me remember, me have good.
876 36 36 916.
Okay.
You get the drift?
Yes.
Good. And what your name?
Me Tiana, what your name?
What your name?
Tiana, what is your
Oh, my name Papa J.
Papa J?
Yeah, everybody call me Papa J.
I can call you Puppy J.
No, me not deal with nothing named Puppy. Me no want no Puppy for my name. Call me
Daddy J.
No, man, me not like the sound of that, man.
Alright, Papa J.
Call me Papa J or call me. Well, they always call me back then when time you younger son.
No, you did younger than me.
Oh yeah. Some girl used to call me Sugar Daddy. I don't know what that means.
Call him Sugar.
But you can call me Sugar, cause I'm sweet like sugar.
Alright,
Yeah.
Sugar.
Nice knowing you.
Me I text you?
Sure, no problem. Come on, son. I will show my son the business so he can take over the business, you know?
Okay, Papa.
Yeah.
Daddy,
Come over here, so I talk to you. Huh?
you don't think say you're too old for her?
No!
You feel left her for me, like me, left them type of
No, listen me. You have money?
No, not yet, but
Right.
you can give them for your money. You know, mommy already. So what me tell mommy say what you start chat
Your
to
mother
her?
old now, son. She old. Sometimes, we don't need to tell her this because you're a big man. But sometimes when me and your mother in the bedroom, me have to take me a little time.
But daddy, you're old too, man. So you talk.
Me have to take me a little time. Me don't like that. The poor woman, oh God.
So what you think she a go say?
Huh?
What you think she a go say?
She they gonna make me feel young again and live look. She gonna make me feel like me the on top of the moon. You don't understand? But your mother know me can't, too much complaint, too much bawling, too much stressing, me can't manage all of that.
I feel like it's left her for me still.
Last night, I put the woman on a boy, you
Yeah,
understand
tell me
me,
what you want.
tell
No, tell me
me.
no why you.
We put her on a week. Oh, God have mercy. Why you have to be my son? You can't tell her then sitting there. But
why you?
as we say, she get old now, if you understand. Even when you tell her to make a cup of tea, give, what she say to you, say?
So she can't manage.
Right, so if she cannot manage a cup of tea, how is she gonna manage the hackling? First of all, she can't breathe again, you know. Her breathing days done. And that one pit let me get.
Oh, so you want to get more?
Yes!
Then look,
So the right young girl that. So all she now, me will feel back young again. And me start fresh up him have more money. When they there around your mother, me see me like a old people. Because the cologne them way I use, me can't manage the whole man cologne them, me not like it.
You must know, daddy. You must know.
Anyway, long so you go.
Mommy?
Hmm?
What? Me win top draw. Win top draw.
You win top job.
Yeah.
How much money you pay for it?
How much money pay for?
Hmm.
Ask me how much money me go and get. That's
Why you buy top jar? You understand about top jar?
me
Little
a
liar, girl.
18-year-old.
I want to hang about that.
Mommy.
One about
You
that.
know,
So if
the
you be not glad up say you win on top jar, me do business because you can't catch me with money. Thank God you win, yes. Me thank God me no want no. Take your top jar. Me no say no win, you know. Me glad for you, my daughter. Me glad for you. But guess what? I do not want any of your money. Thank God you win it. Take it and see if you can buy some black and steel and cement and see if you can build a little room pan
Get to the part. Me meet one rich old man.
What?
Excuse me, sit down, mommy.
Acha. Sheila push
Mommy.
me down. Look here, come around here, so. Come in and know where you're going around this so far.
I think you that invite me, Fanny, but you say that meet one rich old man.
I'm glad for you, my love. So whether a cash pot you go
So you
and
can
buy
go
top jar or a man you
Where
find,
is his name again?
we have money, I do not care. Me glad for you. Me happy for you, my love. But me
You
no
buy
want
me
no.
this because me telling me feel power with him. So you buy me power.
First you sometimes, Jesus Christ, Father God, me never know say I want to eat that me have. First you come in and you see you win top
That
jar.
mother like that.
Me say, me glad for you, but me no want any money. You turn it around. After me say me no want any money, and say, I want a rich man you find.
You have money. You see the first time
Thank
I
God
look
for
on
the
him.
rich man where you find.
So when me
I
dey
hope
look
he
on
can
him,
help you.
I time me they ask him. And so I look on him, he look broke. But see when he start talking, he talk rich.
So true, somebody sound like they're rich, that mean they have money. They're rich.
He have his son, he say, I can't say
Oh,
what's showing.
God.
Must see,
Wait a when you just see him, he look broke. But when you talk to him, he sound rich.
He talk rich.
Then if he talk rich, he sound rich. Because talking talk make you hear his sound.
He rich, mommy, then.
So he rich because he talk like a somebody very rich.
Mommy, he rich. You
Oh,
know rich?
God.
Look at the rich in my eye.
I see it too.
Rich.
Yeah. Oh, God.
Say back little for you.
No, me not drink that. I do that. I don't drink. Then the same thing I want to call name power or hour. Listen. Before you left from up with your father, you bring your medication with you? Or you leave them up there?
What's your power? What you say now?
Me say if you bring your medication with you.
Medication? Me get one injection. Me not get it though.
How when you figure? Maybe I'll follow you go take it.
No! People them a come right here.
Oh, God.
Me give them your address, cause you forget it.
Something wrong with you. But no ring with me. You see if you don't want to see that lick the way you have turned blue or pink, no ring with me.
You see no ring?
You see the rich man where you see you find the top jar the way they tell me about? You can't pack up your things and go on this party. The top jar there.
No, me only no start talk fully, but give me a number. Your number go 8763 36 36 91 91. Remember?
Let me answer for your number. I hope that top jar can help you out of this roof. You see the roof here?
What you call it?
Out of this.
What you call it?
Out of this. Choo.
Right. You can't put up in our mansion.
No.
Nah, choo in a mansion.
From him. You make him buy everything we want and give to you. I am okay.
So you know
this way God bless me with no sorry for this. Cause some people not have this. No, but that true you hear me they say Ray and they call it whatever. Me know why me they call it so. Cause so me call it. It better than nothing at all. Oh, God bless no man curse. Do not have disgrace. You see you come fi come disgrace me. And I need the piece of all out to come fi come. You think you know easy? Me sorry for you know. You better go
you
look up.
Now, mommy.
You're not going to stay with me and I work, but you find rich man.
Cook?
You're big and fool. You hear man they talk like he and he sound like he rich. So that mean he rich. Go on out.
No.
Go on. I mean I could not give nobody.
No.
We are 18-year-old.
Mommy, you go on out. I have to cook. I don't think I make me some of the time I disrespect daddy, you know. Cause me tell you I'm hungry.
Hey, you can't come here so come disrespect me.
No, you're my mother.
So you said you hungry, me
Bible say.
Get up. Come out.
So yeah, Mr. Fa.
Come out and go on round this Augustia.
So give me a market, mommy go cook.
No, go near me shit.
Shit?
You can't meet
so go shit tell your mommy so me can yam.
Me can't say it. I will never shit and give to you.
Actually you're sick. Me tell you say injection and you forget it.
Me have hard bone. Guess what? Now ring with me, come out.
That me they do.
Me not even go bother take away makeup. Go on out.
So now that me I do.
You're bright, but me fi come
Me
cook
know.
you.
Excelente.
Yes! I'm in love, yeah. I'm in love. I'm in love. I'm in love, yeah. I'm in love.
I hold him so happy.
I'm in love, yeah. What's up, you good?
I am man.
Yeah.
Only when your father in him young days him sing so you know.
Yeah. Bring
So I
back
mean
memory.
make you so happy.
Huh?
I mean make you so happy.
In love, mama.
We
We know you're in
man.
love.
Yes, man, we
We
in
know
love.
you're in love, baby.
In love, man.
You remember the good old days when you
Young
used to
again.
sing and feel good.
Yeah, we are young again, man.
Young in love.
And that me love, you know.
Yeah.
Later, you're gonna show me how you in love, baby.
Fine, young in love.
No, man, later, we have to save the strength, you know?
How to say if you're young in love?
We have to save the
Well, me know
strength.
see me young.
Yes, right. Young, you're young.
Yes, man.
You're
And
young.
the love. Me in love.
Baby, you know. Cause you give me one son, yeah, wish me they want plenty more children. But as I say, you know, it's a part of life. It's a part of life.
Fine, young love.
So,
And must me.
how things, how you cope with things and everything all right and you cook, right?
Yeah, man, everything good. And now you find love in me again.
That's better rest now, right?
God.
Hey, listen up.
My big
Chill.
man, him know the birds and the bees.
No, man, my son uncomfortable when I do them thing, them man.
What? For hug up your father, you're
Yeah.
comfortable. When you find you have your love, you know love.
Relax, man. You don't do them something in front of my son. You have to just understand the life.
Daddy, young in love.
Right. When me in love, me in love.
Yeah.
So when you're in love, you not show it.
Oh, you in love with? I
Yeah.
love you, man. I love you.
I show it. But the thing we not understand, you need to cut down on the cooking like how you cook. More you put more salt in the food. Yeah, even means you complain.
Yeah, next time you talk, put your foot in it.
Yeah, you complain too much. Say, we are eating too much salt. I'm tired of it. I don't know something I go through right now. If you make one tea, a cup of tea, give your son,
You can't manage.
Yeah, you can't manage it. I don't understand that. When you make me tea, you make it sweet, but when you cook food, you cook it salt.
Well,
Why difference?
the two no can make it for me and teach me then. Since the way me do it not good enough. Only do it for me. Make a cup and cut me 10. And you make the tea and you make the tea and make it for me till me learn how to make it.
No, you
Ungrateful.
can't do that. I am the man of the house. He is the second man of the house. We shall not touch anything in the house. The lady of the house shall cook, clean, wash.
Man.
Two.
Second man in the
Two.
house.
Second man two. Right now.
No.
The loving gone. All man twos.
That's how
Me
we
a talk
talk
too.
No, me teach
Me I
in the
do
room.
everything in the yard and don't have mouth to come complain to me. Me I try save on a life. And I love the salt and I love the sugar and I love the bad things. Huh?
Let me ask you a question. You think is it right for you to cook rice and peas and it's fresh? You think it's right you cook the meat and it's fresh?
You love the salt and you want the high blood pressure. So here what? The same salt you ball for. When the cooking done, I me give you dinner, just chips little salt pan it or chips plenty salt pan it. Better yet, open up the container and chips the whole lot of salt pan it. Eh?
No, you cannot do that, baby. Alright. Son, me and your mother will talk.
Alright.
Cause me want to say it and me can't say it.
Love.
Yeah. Hear what me I say now. The thing is, the sex life now functional anymore.
Because you can't rise the machine no more.
No, you
So no
can't say
bother
that.
put that the one for me.
And you make the machine now rise. I think I say, set for the back shot. Yeah, you tell me say, yeah, arthritis, you can't bend. No, you cannot do that.
Let
Then
me
it's no-
remind you, say, the last time you fling me up in a wheelbarrow, I feel your hand slip and me drop and lick for me for it so. Every time you want try new
So what I
position,
know?
you can't grip me good.
So what I don't know? When me did throw you up, you could drop your pan and me see you poop. Me did if you pull you, me have to make it jump. You can't poop in a sex, you have to just hold it.
Hey, you look, you say me never pee too. Hey?
No, that's a skirt. Me believe in that on a skirt. But when you poop, you turn off a man, you would just go
You
to...
know how much time you poop
Yeah,
and
man.
belch and thing?
Yeah, man.
Let me just remember send the two. Don't forget the two.
And then when me did if you go hard, you tell me say it's Sunday next door. In the next door, you go like saying no know we are do things around there.
Hold on. I know you just 10 seconds ago go, don't hug me up in front of my son. Now you come tell me say me do wrong for quiet when my son will grow up next door. Really?
Sometimes
make up your mind, man.
You need to
make up your mind,
you
man.
need to just young, make me feel young again. You need to spray the young girl perfume, make me feel young again. Every time you do that, me I feel I roll up my boy and I push in it. It don't make no sense. Me need to make it come up naturally.
Let me tell you something.
Remember back in the days when the fire, we have fire with us.
I'm a burn up here, you can't manage me.
Right.
You have to take him out and say how him hot and you have to cool down. I true you burn out. Them say a bad workman, blame him tool. And I true that. A bad workman, blame the tool. So nobody put it on me here. Well, you can't perform. Nobody put it on me. Cause me still a hot girl and me still can clamp you when me ready. Move and go along. You're lucky.
I'm happy. Oh my God. I wish you should have done that last night. You was lying down like a lady.
Sugar daddy? Yeah, it's here now. You alright? Yeah, me can come. Me a big 18-year-old. What you talk about? Yeah. So, same place me gonna see you? Alright. Stop now. I got my brush. Alright, I will see you. Okay, sugar daddy. I'm going on the road. I'll be back.
Oi, yeah, move too fast. Listen to me now.
I just on the road, me I'm gonna come back.
Oh, come, sit down yourself. You talk about your sugar daddy this and your sugar daddy that. Oi.
Right, I find a sugar daddy.
Big up yourself. I don't say nothing. But listen to me now.
My sugar daddy, I want the money.
No worry yourself, man. You soon find out.
See me wear the glass, yeah?
The light bill. Come.
Honey daddy, not sugar daddy.
Lord Jesus, you listen to me? The light bill come. You have to go start pay. Water rate, light bill, everything you have to go start pay. Help buy food and everything. And you see, if it not go work out, so you have to go come out and go pay your own, go pay it in full. You are going to give me part of the money, me put part, and me cover the bill them, right?
You serious?
Yes, the bill them we cover that way there. So when you give me just carry go pay for them, so the whole of them covered.
Okay, me hear you. Me soon come now.
Okay, ma'am.
Me look good?
Make sure you don't make your sugar zazzy. Put on my glasses. You look nice, yes. Go on.
Me can catch it up yourself and
catch it anyway, me love, but remember, see if you help pay the bill then. I want to say that you want me to say, can you take it? Alright. Everything right. Take care, one. Can I say I go to your sugar daddy?
Handbag, please. I didn't carry my handbag. Give me handbag.
So that the man they can buy one handbag?
He can buy me the whole store. Forget it, mommy. And I search me for you. You know all you know is anything. I soon come back. Bright.
Oh, that was good. Hui. Can't bother get up right now. You good, son?
Up on the road, me I go out.
You alright? Yeah, man. Yeah, man. You're good on the road.
Business like always, but I have something to tell you now. You don't know, say, daddy find one young woman.
Joke you make.
No, daddy find one young girl for sure.
Which young girl? Who?
No more.
A joke you make. Because he could never take up a next woman with me. Take up with When there? Wait, take up which next woman
prank,
with
a
me?
prank,
Take
a
up
prank.
which next woman with me?
A joke me I make.
A don't make them joke with me, you know.
A prank.
Cause early I'm coming and I sing like same young and I go on like so me can't touch him. Which woman? Which woman him take up with me? Where there?
A prank. Sit down back, man. A prank. Sit down back. A joke
You
me I
know,
make.
so my head not good, you know. Don't run them joke with me, you know.
But let's see what I say a prank. But let's see what I hear. I say a prank with you. I'm not find out, woman. No, sir,
And you did a sing about young love. Which young love you
Feel young love, mommy. Feel the young love. Feel no thing. What I do? You don't find out the truth. Sit down back, man.
You better know, you know, because I'm ready for boss head, you know.
Yeah,
which
man,
girl can take away my man?
Yeah, man. Which girl can take away your young man? Your old man. Sit down, mommy.
Oh.
Two of them men for each other, you know.
Nobody run them joke with me
I
because
do it,
certain
man,
things
mommy.
me
So
not
go on,
find
son.
funny, you know. You should know better, you know.
I do it, man, mommy. So
Don't do it, you know. Cause right now you rise my pressure, you know. You rise the dup in me, you know. The volcano erupt right now,
mommy,
you know.
I do it, man. Just sit down now. I do it, me make. You don't find out, no, sir. You don't find out.
I know, I know. Which kind of fool could I think say? Him a go give me he bun?
No, my mother. You not getting a bone, mommy. I do it, me. I prank. Calm down, mommy.
Oh, better know.
Where they go to cuss him and fight him off?
I would have bust on head. Me would have bust for him and then we would have take she and bust for him. But
No, but you no bust. Nobody head now bust today. A joke. A prank, man. A prank. Sit down, man. Mommy, you tell
no
us
run
your
them
temper too
joke,
bad,
man.
you know.
And certain joke enough to run with people, man. Don't run them joke with me.
True.
Sure.
But anyways, mommy, you good though.
Yeah, man.
Take it easy, man. Me up on the road, me a go. Up on the road, me again, and me say me a run a look one prank with a prank. Nothing too serious.
Better know, you know, cause head I go bust, you know.
I know.
Come in and yam bun with cheese, you know.
Alright, mommy.
I'll fit. Don't ramp with me, you know.
I'll take it easy, man. Later. So come back, yeah.
Alright. Certain joke not for make. Oh.
You reach though.
Yeah, man, me have to reach fast, you know. Peer stress and problem there yard and things. So, me call the tell say me go carry out, get you some ice cream and come back, show you my business place, so you can understand the ropes. If you want to work there, can get work.
So if me gonna be a woman, why me have to work?
No, even if you be me woman, you have to work. I don't like a woman there me yard, just sit down and look for me and bring me down instead of bring me up. I need a woman to push me.
Okay.
So you have to can push me. So if you can't push me, it don't make no sense. You understand? I need a woman who can push me. If you come at me yard, you have to know if you cook. You have to can wash. You have to can clean. If me not make no money, it don't make no sense to stay with me.
Me can wash my hands.
You understand? Me like when a woman push me. Me not like when me have to get up a cuss. And I worry and I fret. More have to be free. If my mind free, me will make money. If me not make money, you not go happy, right? Because money make woman happy.
Right. Money make me happy.
Right. So if you not push me, you not go nowhere. You understand? So if you know say you not go push me, not start now.
Me will push you.
You will push me.
Yeah.
Remember,
Me push you now.
what kind of push you think me attack?
In the future, like you. Heads up, encourage you, motivate, and then things there.
Right, you know me I talk about.
Yes.
You damn know. Yeah, if you can't encourage me or push me and say, yo, that and X, Y, Z, I me tell you, go there so. And you throw 'em up, me not like it.
Yes. Like call and say, can't go to work, me say, be go on to work, you have to make money.
Right, me like
Yes.
that.
So
But
stay.
me no want you go tell me, say, do your thing. Every time you say something, do your thing. Every time you say something to you, you go make up your face. Me not like that. That will bring me down, make me not make no money.
Me make you make money, man.
So make me take a walk, I'm show you a place. Now worry about how me now no car, the car no there so you
I'm
know.
not busy about car, walk.
So you see the whole place, that's why I like it.
Yeah, you look good.
Sorry, me couldn't carry you inside because the staff are in there.
Oh, go on.
Oh, go on.
Me say, over yard, me a confirm me say I play a piece of prank over there for mommy.
What kind of prank?
If you go, no worry yourself. If you go over there, you might chat about it. You just work with the floor.
Oh,
You see me?
so me there, me show me look Empress.
I
Huh?
don't hold nothing from you. I don't hide nothing from you. Because I don't like some girl. Tell your son say me not want him. I do not want you. So you need to talk about...
Why you tell my...
Daddy.
Me not understand.
Why-
You're talking loud.
Why you tell my woman to call you?
No, me a go so.
You go how?
So me I catch me. So
Oh,
I
catch him, I catch him, yes, man.
You know what I'm saying?
You see, that's time I say I'm married.
You know, see, move look a while. Listen, I don't talk to little boy, then nah, nothing to offer me. I don't care about no more. And even if me did talk to little boy, I wouldn't talk to you because your father deal. I'm rate your father.
That's why I'm going to marry her. See that? That's why I must marry you, because you know how to make me feel young again.
And if you put up back your hand, call. My fingers 28, you know no problem.
No!
Okay.
Are you a stepmother?
Yeah, look a stepmother.
Listen, you have to respect her, you know. And she, I going to be a stepmother today. You could have.
You can't give him what me gonna give him.
You could have. Look at me young filly.
Young filly.
Look at me young stud boy. We're going to make me feel young again.
Right.
I'm going to go buy some box of dye next week and dye out me here. I feel young. Your mommy can't make me young, so your mommy too old and crystallized.
There's no one say anytime you go over there and hear him chat about the joke around on him, she not gonna like it.
I only hope you don't start up no foolishness, you know.
No, I want joke. Me already know this.
Because me and your mother can't plan piece of line because she I get old and me I get old.
Anyway, baby, you hungry?
No, me not really eat from young girls, you know. Me only have young girls to make me feel young. Some of the young girl when you not clean on the body, you have shit cock up in on the fingernail. And then you need flour give man. Me not them something. No, it's not disrespect. It's the truth. Some of the young girl don't know how to wash up on the front properly. Right? Because you know beard and wash out the top alone. You know use the rag and push up in on the hole and scrub out it. You know do all of them something there. Right.
Push the rag up in a hole and
scrub you out. Would go up in there so you have to push in if it scrub you out.
You can do it for me.
Oh, yes, it. My young thing, listen now. Why you see that? Your mommy never do that, you know.
So
your mommy always hide.
Nah, so no see.
And guess what? All package here, you know. Brown, sweet. Here doing that.
My bumper big for that.
Oi, what the eye down so? What the eye down so? Where you then look for that for?
No, yeah, tell me say
then look more friend. Oh?
Yeah, I say all package I look for myself.
Yes, all package. Medium size.
Look boy, listen to me now and listen to me good.
I can't go
Go down you will go find something do man.
Buying daddy. Later.
Control your son, you know.
Come follow guy again.
Control him.
Me go on me yard. Come.
Oh, I go on so. Yes, I have a right one coming. A right one coming. Me want to talk to you.
No.
Your son, I mean, I even call him mine kind of funny. I say my run prank with me. Say, you find next woman out the road.
Sure. A prank that.
Prank? Which kind of prank that?
Yeah, man, a prank.
You better not find woman out the street for real, you know. Cause me is not the woman figure bun, you know.
What you talk about? Are you alone? Me I no use nobody out there, no. Me not no use nobody, me still standing firm.
You better make sure.
I am always gonna be this firm. You understand? I will always, you know, so you have to just understand that a way of life.
Me gonna make it pass for now, you know. Cause me not see nothing.
Good.
But you see any day named day, and me catch you and she me take one beat the other. Know that.
You can't do that. You have to just understand, say, time is not the matter of you just stressing and, yeah, you know, not feel frustrated, baby. I just that. That's all. You have to just do it, baby. Just tired. Why time you gonna have then the time if you find nobody else? Yeah, tired me out already. Me not got the time, me not got the strength. Me have to get up at night time, my time and wash. Me have to catch water. You have to see the situation. So everything does run through the brain. That's all more than a cheat for you with everything when I go through my brain, it does.
No, yes, I mean I like the word cheat on you with.
No, me like a brain that get overflowed, you know, like sometimes it things will depart and sometimes it just steer, detach. You understand? Sometimes I feel like one depart and then sometimes it just detach back.
Cause him had run joke and I tell me, say, you find young love. And me, I put 2 and 2 together. You come in and I sing like when we did young. And him I talk about young love.
No,
You find
man.
out a street.
You are my young love. You are my
Know
young
yourself, you know.
love. You are my young
Know
love.
yourself.
Alright, just tell Matty. Go on Matty, go collect my partner jar. To show you how I respect you and nobody can replace you. Nobody but you. You know, nobody but you.
That better. Alright,
Right,
soon
that's-
come. Go inside, water and drink the then dinner ready.
Alright, no
Alright.
problem. Yeah.
Candy girl, how you do? Right? Yeah, man, give thanks, give thanks.
Long time I not see you, what?
Why am I there? Look and live. How you?
Me alright, you know. Me alright. I want some live, you know.
So you moved from, when you moved from down there, so?
About 1.5 months now, almost 2 months.
That's so long me not see. Oh God, me should have shamed.
That kind of nothing, man.
You good?
Yes, me alright. I give God thanks for another day, you know. Yeah.
Every time. Why?
So where you going now?
Why? Me dey on a mission. My husband send me figure down a Miss Matty collect him draw.
Which draw?
So that's me I go, no, forget my Christmas, my New Year, all in a one.
Okay. And you look happy. Say you gonna get Christmas and New Year all in a
We
one.
never get to draw.
Which draw? Draw just or draw?
Never get with partner draw.
Or draw? Partner draw? Wait, where you say again? Where you say I got to?
Miss Matty.
Which one of the Matty where me, your husband and the rest of people them join partner
That's
with?
why I wonder how
That
you
they
going, so.
partner, they done me girl and me get the last draw. Where you go for?
What you really a say?
You know how long that the partner they finish? It finished till who not so how long? I want to show off the whole on no hand. Your husband show off the whole of him hand them.
So hold on.
No, me ask you one question. Your husband finished through every hand when he supposed to show.
So him man take money from me for fit.
Hey, that finished long time. Sorry, and me get last draw. Hush.
Let me ask you. When you get your last draw, when the last draw done?
About 3-4 weeks ago.
3.
A long time it done. A long time that.
You know, say, you gonna hear
Long
about
time
me.
that.
You gonna hear about me, you know? So that means and now me know what really are going, you know? Show me a tackling about certain things, cause me I hear him name a stink out a road, and me I tackle about it, and send me down there for collect partner dry, you know, cause him know so that will shut me up and make me go about my business, you know?
But maybe you don't know, so the woman partner draw done.
How?
Oh, sorry, because I always ban and he night, so you must know. Everybody when you know one partner must know when it starts and must know when it finishes.
Of course.
You're right. But hold on there. 10 tour in a one. So me enough, you know. So me little bit enough. Mine a woman. Your husband take him partner drangy and then style you and send you to go collect partner. When he knows that the partner already finished, because I me get the last draw, so I don't know where you are going, Charmin.
You know, say, we son Baba tell we run joke, and I tell me same fine young love of outer streets, and then them convince me say nothing no go so. Now this, then take me for idiot, you know. Them don't know who me be, you know. My head would chip, you know.
Anyway, where did I go? Where you say I go down a fair yard? You still a go a yard? Are your husband have to go tackle?
Me I got ready right now, so.
Me I want go down the road. Come
All
on.
right.
A long time.
All right.
Later when you go up your chat to you, me and you chat one.
No, me and who, you know. No, me and who. Where you liar pooper there? Where in there? In the inside?
Daddy not there. I want you.
Me I talk to the old brute, right? And true me I talk to him about the truth, so the truth hurts. And send me down to Miss Matty to go collect partner draw. Ain't I know so me will go for that.
Okay.
Send me down to Miss Matty for partner draw and a candy be sit there, a candy be sit down the lane, you know.
Mommy, Daddy call it that the partner draw the farm last week.
As some me I get to understand.
Yes. Send him call it the money. I don't know him. Mom take a lot of buy.
or in flaw. But maybe the prank community video will come to reality.
What you
Because I
talk?
pass him on the road. You know, I'm not too bad. I'm not too bad. I want to say no because
No, talk. Come on, me have to know. Talk.
you know what I say no because I don't want to tell us you're Frank again. So we can't. I
Where
don't
you
know.
pass him?
Eh?
Where you pass him?
You pass him my road. I go about in business within business.
Eh?
Yeah, ask him. Eh?
Eh?
You pass my road. I go about business within business.
Him not know me a who, you know. Him not know me a who. Give who bun. I make fool out of who. Where the see it there? Me a go for him.
Okay.
Where you do, man? Where you get it from too?
That's when I see me.
Mm-hmm.
All when you have a picnic.
Mm-hmm.
If you can avoid me when you see me on the road. Can you see the way you behave? Me don't want nobody who don't know already say me and your mama end up know.
She is my mother. Where's her mommy?
Anyway,
Mm-hmm.
I don't know about look at you too. I tell the neighborhood say me is your mother shame you not have.
Mm-hmm.
Because the
I
way
too.
all your disagree, where they come from?
Mm?
Where they come from?
Maybe sugar daddy.
So they come from your sugar daddy?
Yeah. Listen, mommy. In Canada, got tour the place. Show me in businesses, in mansion, villa and things.
No again. So you not get nothing for you because as you reach home, you tell me say you're
Me
hungry.
didn't tell you I'm hungry. I do me a contest with you. I'm like, give me one again.
So hold on. Me just buy me guinea pop this up from one man. If you
I'm
take it
sugar
in
daddy
you,
picky give me.
and you they come from man, we have money like that, or you're the boss. Or you come on my yard hungry. And they left from your man yard, they have money.
I am my mother after all.
And it look like you're hungry, but because you do the guinea seed.
That's why you have to give me two of
No,
this.
look how you do the guinea seed and you chat about the boss, so you. Oh,
You're not feed me. You know, say next time I go to my bunch you're not even to eat. What is it?
You go tell your money man, say me not
Me
get nothing
sugar
to eat.
daddy, me man, right?
Jesus.
Oh, sorry, go. Give me one.
So hold on. Me I wonder if you have sense. You go tell your man we have money.
1 cent.
Wait, you have sense, man. Yeah, go tell your man we have money, say your mother not here nothing to eat.
Right, so you can give me something to eat. This is a me got sense.
Oh,
me not so dumb
God.
for you, man.
Me know say you have sense, you're full of sense, but the sense when you have me.
News the run
Watch
sense.
how you go and with me with the guinea. Or you will want.
You know, so me not like beg up.
Are you
Hey, me not bother want it. Me not hungry. But you're hungry. Not fun for you, yeah.
Hear me out. Wait.
Anyway,
Oh,
Where's
God.
along?
You sure say the man we got talk to have money? Oh, God.
I'm rich. It's rich.
So, oh, you come from man, yeah, we have money and you are dead to your
Come
hungry.
on.
So look what you do, you give seed.
See, I'm through.
Missy say
Me not bother want it.
No, you already eat it, and Missy say you like seed.
See, that's me touch on
You
that.
love seed.
Mommy, give me. Cause show up, me can't do so. Let me see one of the person.
So you see woman a pass your pit out here and say you don't want it. As the woman pass you, they tell me to give you one next one. You're full of pride, so you.
Mommy, I can't cook. Give me hungry.
You don't have no shame when you say that. You don't have no shame, because you just tell me say they left from one man yard we have money. And you come and stress me out, say you're hungry. Then you know me already. I ain't gonna cook for you, baby. Girl, you see that girl here? She a chat you. She just a chat you. I tell me how you about
Mommy,
it.
you cannot do that. You make people beat me.
Why you pine for the girl and I tell me say the girl bottom flat?
Her body flat.
But you do it for Tifa for Guinness. You know no shame. Come on fire road. Where they come from? Where you come from sugar
You know,
daddy?
you see me come from sugar daddy.
You they come from sugar daddy yard broke.
No,
Go on
him
there.
broke.
I know me yard daddy that
No,
come.
him broke. Eh?
Am I yard daddy that come?
Your yard. Come and go up in there. I'm hungry. Hurry up.
Before you're hungry. Me can't just imagine the type of old man we they chat to. So only could broke pocket man and they chat about man and sugar daddy. You know what is a sugar daddy? You can they come from one sugar daddy yard and they come in your mother yard. And they tell me if you cook you when you should they carry money like what can't give me. Eh? Me say you know have sense of you know. Go on, go cook. I mean I cook you. Go on. I go and buy my baby.
Come on, man. I don't have any eye for a wedding. This mama want to talk to you about something. You know, say, I moving with my man soon. Moving with him. I'm gonna help you get one of that business then. Cause, yeah, you know what I say? I gonna move. I gonna move in with my man. I gonna help you get one of that business then. And thing. Cause, Mrs. Say you want to work. You can't just sing ahead every day and lay with me parent and embarrass me. You hear me?
Me I hear you, me not have to send up when you're
Right. And you know, really show me the inside of the places them, but me see the outside and thing. Then me go help you get on that business then, cause me not like how you just sit down so. If I sit down so bills can't go pay, mommy. Bills cannot pay if I just
Let me go and name this like say mine. Little girl,
Yeah?
Lucky,
Mm-hmm.
listen to me.
What do you mean, so? Me I say upon a
I
time,
don't
baby,
want you to help me to do any business. What me say, me don't want you to help me do no business.
remember to get some
You're not
30
working. What?
oxtail and think, how much mackerel on this stuff? And that's why you starting to favor one of them slowly but surely. No disrespect. So, mommy,
Give your girl something. Anyway, you see that the business that we are talking about?
you
I'm not
really
interested.
want
I
it.
don't want it, thanks, but me don't want it.
Same out as drinking business.
Make it drain, make it drain, make it drain. If it drain, go straight down your soul. And go back up in your forehead. You talk too much foolishness.
Yeah, my mother.
Yeah. So I say your mother chat foolishness, not true. So you...
Come here, tell me I get business and you're going to say my business.
You don't want no business from you. Take your business and your man.
business.
You know what? So me not pay for it. You see the man the way you say I go move out, go to?
My sugar daddy. Put respect on his name.
Okay, your sugar daddy.
My daughter sugar daddy.
Then me love. And when you plan to move out with him?
Hmm?
Why you not want to know? Why are we plan?
Me confirm with him.
So you are planning to move out with him? You and him not sit down and talk about
He's the
this?
wife in his life. You hear? Wife in his life.
So
Yeah.
I'm married now?
Married? Actually, I see the ring yet.
On a marriage? On a marriage now? On a marriage now?
Maybe. Cause ring come yet.
Your marriage.
Yeah.
Oh God. I'm sorry for you, but guess what? Thank you for the offer, but me not interested. Me don't want it. Me would mind. You make case and take up your belongings them. Yeah, man.
You see when you pay other people like 30,000 a week, they could have get 60. Give me some of my chips. I'm hungry bad.
No, thank you. Make case and take up your belongings and go on to your sugar daddy where you say rich.
Wait, glasses. Let me
Me alright, right? That's some. Feel God help me. Go on. Which glasses?
Mommy, you're not cooking food. Let me hungry, man.
Sit here.
Oh. And this news I catch a girl in man.
Eh?
Oh, me look.
I can use and catch you for man?
You sugar daddy. When you see me in that glass, so
you know, say I make me get bored. Yeah, make me get bored. You finish talk to me, we can go on now, me get to lie down and sleep. Me tell you that you.
I true what me gonna say, you think about it.
Me not think about it.
You want the money. You gonna want the money.
If where they say, they promise too much, me ready for cough. Me cough off it. Me a cough off it. Come on for me chest, because you think say, whatever you just tell me, say can stay on this chest and digest, I lie at it.
I chips a choke. You
want
water?
Choke? Let me stay there choke. Me want choke. If you think say that way, well, me a choke. Let me choke. Take up your belongings and go on to your sugar daddy. When you plan to move, you not just supposed to go come out where you lie down. Me can send me to go cook like me your maid. They soon get it in them. They shall die for hunger. Me go cook it you. Yeah man, they shall die for hunger. Lazy. So, when this a young girl is so boring. Every day you want me cook give 18-year-old girl and they chat about you know have man with your money. Then go on and KFC and Burger King now you know if you make me cook give. Go on. Get up and go on. Me tell you that you go on. Yeah, go on.
Make a grandchild come give you.
Yeah, go on, my love. Go on, no sorry for me, go on. Phones is shut there. When man wearing call it here, what's the thing me I wash it?
Oh my God. Where I come from? From morning till mother get up so early. Where get up gone from?
Oh, you know what gone?
What up?
I'm gonna say Chicago.
Chicago with that?
Let me go get Senate Padamon. She would have been a Padamon down there.
So your fee says so. Your fee says me I eat that kid left part of money down there. I said, your mother should have used the common sense. I took 6 hand down there. And I never yet said I go collect one. So oh me I go say I go collect the last hand. That's how me fool.
Yeah, man, I know you come back out. Name up himself, say.
I don't business with your mother. You know. My mind are focused on it.
What going for the young girl?
And she me just tell about my mind are focused on her.
You still not give me a strive. I stand with mommy.
Yeah, man.
Which young girl your mind a focus on right
No.
now? You me want see. You are the right one me want see. Which partner draw down a Miss Matty? Huh?
Him collect you know.
You lie.
So I'm telling you now, and you collect your partner jar. Him collect it. Yes. I'm telling boy woman birthday and I'm carry her out and buy her drink and them something. I'm say, alright son, do your thing. So I see a young girl me I talk about, I'm feeling young girl.
You make you do it a blind.
You want one movie in the young girl, you know? Starting tomorrow, the young girl out there. So, you must stay in my son room while his son stay in a full room.
Really? You never stay in a female room with she.
No.
If a my woman, me I got turn in my room with her. I only stay in a
No, we are Christian, son. So you stay around and for me and my woman room. So we go in the hall.
My woman I go in my room. I'm in a phone room.
Yeah, I'm staying in the hall. Are you staying in the hall then?
No, me staying in my room. Oh, that's so fair. No, real fool.
Relax, no man, you'll get tip. Yeah, relax, man, you move so. You make she stay in your room by himself, so nothing no go on to fornicate and no belly no come in here. Right? So she have to stay here for a while. So mama can stay in a free room and in can stay in a free room or in the hall.
You fully take me for idiot, not true? You fully take me for idiot. Me nah go prison. Mommy. And me nah lose my place in a heaven for you.
Mommy. Calm now.
Calm now.
Yeah.
Calm now.
Chill
You get taken for a fool and make me see you calm. Huh?
Nobody can take me for
exactly.
If you're lucky, you want somebody take you.
Me not take you for fool. A fool is just in the house, but me not take you for fool.
Fool is the two of uno. The two of uno are fool. Too wrong. No, daddy, listen now. You're a fool for she a fool for uno. Uno are two big fools. So uno work together. Uno come.
What do you mean by
it? Where you trying? Where my hand? Come, me want know who you are rank with, sir.
What you trying to say?
Nah, fools. No.
You know what is a fool?
You.
No. You know what's really a fool? Is my son will never yet get up and go look at job. Is a fool.
Alright.
Is my son where everything his father wants, him want.
No, I don't want everything that you want.
Everything you see me want, you want. Every time you end up on the road and me want that, you want it. Why? And you can call me fool. So who the cap fit? But then say, let them wear it.
Mommy, deal with it.
Show me stone in a hand pen, me never call no name. Right? And you call me fool. But let me tell you something. If you plus a fool with a fool, it's too big fool. You understand? So me under the house with a big fool.
So now I talk fool in a code. All me no say, you not trick me with money, you know. Me have my own a friend and my own a fool with them own the money that is giving me my money. So
what give money?
None of your business.
Yeah.
None of your business. Cause all of we are fooling at this.
You know what happen now?
All of we are fooling at this.
So
me have my partner draw too.
No,
me I get my partner draw.
So me tell her, say she not just in young. She gonna wear batty rider shorts today.
Mommy, I that the other.
Eh? Why would I try?
Like I said the first time
Mommy,
you see me
tell her
like
something. You see, if you're in a
Why am I
relationship
trying?
with daddy, and if you have to wear battery rider and belly skin and them nice something there, I don't.
You hear some me in a relationship with him?
So on the left.
That they trick me and run me to Miss Matty, make me turn
Oh, on the
idiot.
left.
You see why?
Like on the left now. That simple means say.
That
Simply means say what?
Oh, on the left. On the left.
Huh?
On the left.
Right now me feel like left.
Feel like, oh God, only feel like.
Left now something can tell mommy good news.
Yeah, tell me the good news. Left now. Come in for left too.
Me not friend, it's a friend.
Left now. Come in for left too.
Tell her then now.
Me have me young thing.
Uh-huh.
Me have me sweet young brownie.
Uh-huh.
Sweet 18. Me business.
Uh-huh.
She make me feel young.
Uh-huh. What else she
Look
do
how
for
me
you?
just young.
Amen.
Uh-huh. What else she do
You
for
see,
you?
me tell you see what me there tell you say that.
Well,
young
my
love.
son,
She give me a
you
quick-
have new step sugar daddy. That way, see when me clamp him and him happy. You know, see me, I'll get new jewelry.
Mommy,
At
listen.
24
Watch out
karat
now.
gold this.
Watch out now, watch out now,
At
watch out now.
first. So leave, trick, new woman, me no business. Come me have my man, I deal with this real man. So you know, you see me, I stand up here quiet. Me no business.
Loco.
Eh, me loco.
But you
Me
know,
loco.
you know, you what happen now?
Uh-huh.
You have to go pack and go now, you know.
Uh-huh.
Come here
Really?
moving my young thing today.
Really?
No,
Really?
listen.
How old you be? How old you be?
You nah move on mommy and take you
No,
nobody, you know. If mommy come out, woman have to stay out.
You see?
No, come in here. No more. You have to go somewhere else with them, daddy.
What you tell me, say? I will be this.
And you will Billy, but remember you say I'm the second man in the house.
There's no second man in this backside.
Eh?
Me is the only man here.
Eh?
And when me say my young thing, if you come here, if you come here.
My thing come.
Well, here what? Are you your young thing? Me, my rich thing, can you see law in past 5 years old? So anything over 5 year common law, wife, me name. Half for you and your dirty woman, and the bigger half, come me name woman now. For me and my king. So no problem.
Where is it? Come on,
We're
what?
problem.
Where is it? Come on, what?
You are the common, and me are the wife. By law, me no business with you chatting now. That's me no business with you
You
chat.
think Allah ever know how me nail in this?
Me business.
Let me tell you
Let me
something.
take
Flash
you
news.
to courthouse now.
Flash
That's
news.
judge I gotta tell you what is what.
Shut up.
Me have
Hold
ring
on,
to
man.
me
Shut up.
finger.
Shut up.
Eh.
Let me talk now. Let me talk now. So, you feel say the law I gonna get half of this.
The
Guess
bigger
what?
half too.
Guess what? You wanna know what? You see everything where you see there, so even the plates, me buy them in my sister's
Oh
name.
dear
So
boy.
guess what? You don't got nothing to get
Really?
because I don't own nothing yet.
Okay, so me now for fight you then. So you just go along. It's
Go.
all mine then. You just say in front of witness, say you don't own nothing, yes, sir. Nothing you own, yes, sir. Say it's all mine. You're right. You're right. That's why me have to love you, because you're right. I mean, I own half. Everything.
Talk to you, man.
Everything.
The bright heart subject. Talk to you, man. Talk to
Me
you,
can
man.
put, why me can't put my hand anywhere I want to put it?
Daddy say you have to leave.
Eh?
So just
Leave.
Put me out. Put me out. They name, they put me out of this. And me bring you out, and me can take you. Put me out of this. Put me out.
Where you go?
Put me out then. You're a big man.
No.
You're a big man. I was going to give you half, but you give me the whole of it. So if anybody for put out, who I may put you out. Put me out now.
I know me only everything in my sister's name.
My business.
So
My business.
you have to go.
Me look at me say put me out. Put me out. Yeah, man.
Talk to you,
Yeah, man too.
Talk to you,
Yeah, man too. Put me out.
Talk
See
to
me?
you, man.
We not about to put you on.
Oh, that's nice.
Daddy.
That's
No,
nice. That's
Where you just
nice.
say?
She
Hey,
can't
you have to
stay.
ask a little trial for
Remember,
put me
I'm
out.
the second man now, so I can make a decision too.
I have to ask a little
Alright,
boy
put it
for put me out. Let it go.
Your piece of my bone grass.
No, not yet.
So all the backside you have to talk about second man.
Eh?
Eh?
You would say it now, you say it as well?
No second man no run in there, so.
Can me run things around me.
And me are the only man here, so whether first, second, or last, it's going to be always me. Listen, me are the first man here, and I will be the second man for stay here, and I will be the last man for left here.
I
You
love
hear
it
that?
too.
So you see your
Mommy,
mother, if you
take
don't
care
want
of
left with your mother, you make your mother go. Go for
Left.
your bag.
Me said
Me
once, me
pack you
said
already. Go
twice.
for it.
Yeah, bad man. Put me out. See me out. See me out.
Remember, you know, I have a restraining order down there. Me make sure me go to station, you know.
Go
Then you
back.
say you should have stayed.
Then go down this and bust your left and bust your right and bust your left and do it. Then now but pull me out. It get stink your bad sefer.
Yeah, man. Follow that out of the gate.
Do it now.
Mommy, tell it me wicked.
Me wicked. I just know you find out to me wicked. I just know you find out to me
If
wicked.
you want Tanya and earn, put that out.
Mommy, just do it now. If you're not doing me, I go homeless, you know, just do something.
Homeless then no.
Just go on.
Put that out.
I tell you where me I go with my bag.
Go on,
Me I
then
go
you should
in
have
my yard and form a real man. But put out a junk. You think say you bad? You think say you bad? You're not better than me. Oh.
I take you out of me.
put her in.
I take you out of me willing up. I make sure say you go to prison. You see all the gun where you did put your hand pan. Me still have a fingerprint pan, you know. I go down a station, go plant it down there. Make them lock up your backside if your mama don't come up by tomorrow. Cause you see my little feet brown in the one, go down in a dot, the car's twin in a dot. So go to convince her, one. Go and convince her. Run her road, anything, do everything, me pay you. Run her road, make sure.
Dirty style, yeah.
Me I go pan the road, go check my browning. Cause she did say she a cook.
God, I'm tired. Mother. I'm one.
Make it stay.
Me cook and everything. You want food? I need to go. Me dig up on the road, you know.
What?
Dig up on the road. I'm confirm with my baby father. You hear me?
You know, just sit around yourself, prepare your go out the road.
Dig up on the road. I confirm with sugar daddy.
So,
I'm moving out tomorrow.
Look here, you don't run some serious job.
Eh?
Yes.
We confirm with sugar daddy I'm moving out
So
tomorrow.
when you left out of the yard, I mean, I know.
That is the point. Tell her if you know me 18. Me up. Mommy, a big woman you have you know?
Oh.
Big woman, ready to take man. Big man. Big man.
You ready for take?
Big man.
Wow.
Mhm.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Mommy.
So,
see
we are
ready to
waiting.
take
We are waiting to take the man.
Eh? Like a big man?
Yeah.
I'm gonna move out tomorrow.
So why you not going now? Come me tired of you. And this
Mommy.
sugar daddy argument.
Now
Yeah,
some post that. Woman took him, right? When daddy saying one dog style, I love that. Come here only know about helicopter. I'm a brain in here, because whoop, one at a time. So what dog style? Yeah? You want to get that? Say which week last week. What style going to do? Yeah, man, I talk to you sometimes you like a little pig and me a big woman. And you a big one and me a big next big woman.
The sugar daddy way you have. He's supposed to have experience at every style.
He have experience, he tell me say,
So
I want
lizard
black.
Mm-hmm.
And I say, me would try doggy style, but me don't know any doggy style.
Me hear you. So like how you don't know making sure you don't ask me.
You can't show me
You
too.
say a big woman, you're
You
supposed to
never
know
did that,
everything. You have to put the world before time put on your head for.
Me a 18.
Mm-hmm, that's
I
it.
love if you take man. That's why God give me God, so if you take man. Alright.
Certain conversation I'm not going to hold it with you. I don't care if you're 100-year-old. Yes, when you go to your big man where you plan to take,
Yeah.
make him teach you everything. Me now what
Big
you do.
man. No
Yeah,
man up. Man. I. You know you hear that man?
Yeah, pick up yourself.
Hmm?
And this is stupidness you come in and you come contact me about, don't
No, because I tell you I'm over tomorrow.
That's
Because
right. So how much hour left for tomorrow
give me
come?
bad style.
How many, look on your phone, how much hour left for tomorrow come? Because I can't wait for you go on.
25 more hours.
Why you done?
And you remember that?
Oh.
4 minutes. 4 minutes.
Then
After
you
5.
cut me.
And 24 hours left for the day done.
Then you cut me.
Big up yourself. Go on and
Then I
tell
know
it.
that shit that
Yeah, man. Go on.
Hey, also. I do me the breathe fire.
Hmm?
I do me the breathe fire.
Yeah, breathing.
Yes, dear. Then I
And
hear
you tell daddy say,
the father can be that.
oh, you know that for minute before that, you know.
Oh,
You tell me what for daddy?
You am breathing for.
No,
Hmm?
no.
No? What you telling today?
I can't find you.
Chill. Come on, feel fast.
Ah, you know me? No, mommy, someone on the road.
This man make the baby.
Oh, sure.
Hello.
What, mom?
Hi.
Are your friend?
No?
Who is she?
Yeah, I'm a mother.
Okay.
Daddy baby mother.
Daddy who?
Daddy baby mother. My
My
mother.
sugar daddy.
So if you... I confess you what is going on and to collect a few things.
Oh, we there. Collect few things. Alright, here you hear the good news. Eh?
Which good
Collect
news you not
few
drop down
things.
yet? What kind of good news?
Drop down where? In a which house? You know, see, new
Let me
progress.
get the good news.
Listen.
I am pregnant for Bob.
Pregnant for who?
Him. Every time you go on the road, him come in and play. And see when play and he scored game, he win the game.
So, son, you not only I eat out of my hand, but you dig out new.
Daddy, you know my name is it? Like
Yeah.
You are for him.
Mom,
You
tell
are
you. I mistake.
Mistake where?
Daddy, somebody have to keep our
Stop it
company.
talking. It's no mistake.
Keep
Can you
which
breathe
company?
something?
Okay, which company?
Yeah, you can't. Sometimes I live for alone there, or sometimes I alone there.
You can't breathe something?
What is
See?
that?
See? Karma. Karma. Yeah, and you laugh. I think it's funny. You carry here to be my child.
Me
I'm
laugh,
going
Dad.
to put out my wife.
You too lie too. You too lie. That's why me laugh. Cause you're a big idiot. You can't breathe me.
Of course.
You let a good woman think you want young things. You get the young thing. You're gonna get a young grandchild.
Okay.
Daddy,
You tell me lies.
baby
You
have
have.
to like
She
family.
shut up.
Alright.
You tell me lies. You have mansion. You're rich. I decide pop down mansion.
Let me ask you a question. Am I the only man lie? Am I the only man lie?
Just if you're a moment, me did I take a serious. But once me find out say that you lie, incoming. As you fly in pitch.
I'm going to give you money for take care of a woman and you use the money at bribe
So
a woman.
Anyway, me gonna want some money to do. You wanna see how
Daddy can give us some money for you.
You want the money to see if a boy or a girl. All right, you want the money.
Not bother with it.
You know, wait, I must.
Thank you, Joe. You make me witness
I'm going to
this.
laugh at baby.
Me no.
Baby, chill out.
No, go for your baby mother.
No,
No, sorry.
I can't buy
Your
that, man.
grandson or granddaughter.
No, man, that's a butters. The whole neighborhood run through that.
Who is I don't want neighborhood now?
No, we have to. We don't want them, the girl. Then the girl can't take in a year class. You know, see, Jess.
Okay.
You see, Jess hot now.
Okay.
Yeah, man, you're hot, baby.
Okay.
And you is the wife.
Uh-huh.
The apple of my eye.
Okay.
Them girl is a nightmare.
Uh-huh.
I know that when she there, she nasty. She nasty. She don't even know how to cook rice and peas.
Oh, no.
She cooking rice first and throw the peas in there.
Oh, God. Hush.
And then add more water in it. Half I'm telling you, scrape half the peas them off the top. The idiot add water in it. And this rice soft out.
Oh, God.
The things they want to go through, none of them can cook. We miss the cooking. As much as it's fresh, we miss it. You know, we like, and To be honest, right now me change. With a change, man.
Wow.
Me no want no girl with a old or young. Me loyal to you.
Okay.
Me Charmaine Henry.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, no. Me born, me let me get dead, me la no Henry na this.
No, you have
better
the
put
last
nothing
name.
on this. Okay.
And the house, me talk to my sister.
Okay.
So me go put in your name.
Oh.
Yes, so you can come back.
Oh.
And let me tell you what again, more do for you. You see, look at $5,000 left, cause we didn't really have enough and she shell it down.
Oh.
But we have 5,000 left. I'll give that.
Okay.
Can buy a couple of juice, you know?
Okay.
I think, and I'll buy some nice cologne and some panties and, you know, the whole shebang.
Well, you know what? Remember what you did tell me and want to take the shovel out of my hand for run me? You don't have to run me no more.
No!
Because
No,
now...
I was high. I was kind of never know what. Cause even when you're gone, I said to my son, so where you there? You can't find you.
Let me answer that one then. Me did there with my man. Not man too. Me there with my man. You know, see how me look nice.
So you cheat
Me are no, which cheats? I'm a free and single and disengaged
No, you
woman.
can't say that. Cause you know.
Oh God! And since I'm a loyal woman, I'm a one-man woman. So here, we just thank the Almighty say, make me witness this.
You can't give me a chance. Me understand that me fuck up.
Uh-huh.
And I need you back.
Okay.
And I apologize.
Oh.
I'm sorry.
Oh. I'm
willing to do everything in the house now.
Okay.
I will wash, cook, clean. I will wash the jars with my hand, not the machine.
I'm a dirty jars too?
Yes.
What a way you change.
We change now. We change. Just take me back.
So here what? You see my king bean? Me not even going to give you. You see my king bean that put jewel on my hand and pretty designer clothes on this your body? Me a one man woman. I always was and always will be. So my king bean, me I go back to. Me just come forget the rest of my bag and jam make me come at the right time. So here what? You me got the feel. Your son, me not know picnic no more. You, your son, your grand picnic, and your daughter-in-law. Me just go. Actually, no, me keep the bag. I'm not gonna need more things. And my man set me up in a business and everything.
Your business?
Yes, you know, she sent me a big hairdresser now.
So, get my clothes and
yeah, man, go get your clothes. Go get your clothes.
Me can't go.
Yeah, man, go get your clothes.
Get it?
Yeah, man, go get it right now.
Baby.
Go get it, man. Go get it.
Go get it and come now.
Damn fool. You must think me a damn fool like you. Sakwe salo.
Babes. Babes.
So when you say you're going to do, can you take full responsibility?
Oh, me say me I go do? Well, first of all, you don't have no sense. Because what you should have do, you should have carry the baby and make daddy mind the baby until the baby start going to school.
You know what me should do? Carry the baby, make your father breed me, and I will give you jacket. But that make more sense.
Well, at least, why? But what me I say is, you see true you do all of that now, you have to go near it.
So when you not going near me?
What?
Your bread.
Where I say it to your mouth?
Me feed that your belly.
Where will I say it to your mouth?
Me feed that your belly.
Like me. Hello, listen. Nyam the baby. Nyam it. I don't want it. Good evening, mama.
Hi, beautiful.
What kind of dash you got on Nyam argument there for?
You want me dash me baby?
Which baby if I never know so you're married? So you're pregnant?
So me didn't tell you I move out with my sugar daddy.
You say they move out. Me never know so you're pregnant. So you're breathing.
The sugar daddy don't start daddy.
Me say, you know everything. Me don't want no smile on your face. Because of everything you take for joke. Sugar daddy, old man breed you. What? Him fi take it.
Old man about to breed me.
So you understand one of the two?
Me and the old man did
I'm
that
a father.
talk, but I'm
I'm a father, sugar daddy.
But I'm not sugar daddy again. I'm my baby daddy.
Yes, sir.
I'm a father.
Your father get her pregnant?
No, I'm a father woman. But I'm my baby.
Are your father girl this? Cause no woman no behave so. And the with pan son. Where you say, are your father girl this?
Girl.
And I feel your baby mother.
Right.
No understand this. So your family ram in your blood.
Me to find daddy. Daddy is here to find you.
Everything you take for joke.
But I know
Everything you take for joke.
mom.
I saw your workless. So you're there with the papa and breed for the son.
Oh,
That
mommy.
means if I hey,
I can't follow me up, man.
Candy, what go on here, so?
problem, Milo, problem.
Anything him there, no problem.
This a whole jackass here when me say I'm a daughter. Say she breed fi. Oh, you won't hear your daughter? Kinda. Same breed. Are your son this?
Kinda.
What do you mean, kinda?
Breed for your son and in there with Fimpa.
Which is her.
Which is her what?
Well, you in Candy. I want next year, so. This Smith bring from hospital. Say I'm a son.
And this is really a problem.
Let me go here, but they did feel good.
Be your daughter.
Move back in.
Move in and take my so-called thing, daddy.
I was in a clamping.
Say she, my thing, and my son too. Say them a put me up as the best thing, me get the
So
best
Shani,
man.
how long you know me?
Find out,
That is
say.
the boy I grow big. Make me know when he little, me not even know say wait there. So you never know say me daughter this.
No,
You
I
could
don't.
bust her
They don't
ass
know
when you
say
hear say she there with your man.
But for us, never mind.
Me now bust her ass Candy because she do me the biggest favor right now.
If
Me
you
have
could have clamped
business.
them, I would take him.
Me the business, you do the
Mama.
best thing.
Yeah, man.
Mama,
Huh?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, too. Yeah,
Hey,
man,
wait,
too.
hold on there.
Like a papa.
Yeah, talk to me. So through them read, sir, and you come see him grow up in the side, not even realize yes. Anyway, you see, it won't no match. Come over here, sir.
come baby daddy.
Your mother they talk and me they talk.
Alright.
And the two of you
There. And I breathe.
in the midst of the argument, you not even listen to sound you can't learn. Guess what? Stay with the papa and stay with the son. No come back at me yard. Come on.
You're right.
There we talk. Don't
Mommy,
All cabbage stick together.
that's why I take your
You
man
lie
back
with
for you.
that.
Wait,
You're right.
why you
You
hold on for this? Are you buy it?
Him.
Oh, don't tell her that.
Wait, alright, him. Wait, what not pull him back for? Where you want?
Ask him that time.
You know where you look for, not true. You want 2 out of 5, done. Me say if you want 2 out of 5, leave me alone. The only thing me see you come on me yard come do as friend this a day, yeah, family ram.
Family, are you
The only thing, no worry yourself, man.
Maybe
You're
that talk to
confused.
daddy and into
You're
brother.
confused. Yeah, man, make up story. Come on me yard, come take out your
Tell
clothes.
your man to come check me.
Me a message her.
Hello.
Go deal
Yeah,
with
me
you.
say.
No, man, that's not true.
And just deal with it.
Yeah, me say, just me and me and deal with it.
Girl, don't
Simple.
bother with that for me and this.
Simple.
Just get rid of the baby, isn't it?
But tell your
You know
father
what's
if I
up.
want him now. You can tell helicopter door, mommy.
No, mommy, me. Because he look like a swap then in the hospital. Me no have no pitney babe like you.
The best thing we should have done is name the two of them all long ago.
Do you wait for me?
Take your long.